And Saturday special, yaba, and yaba life. Even though it's late, but it's not late. Yaba, yaba say any mo bedin komo kakra ni atoto adwene e won nsem kakra ho. Ene Canada Agyapong tie wo ha. De papa ne ye no, bra so say yen kasa nkyere na bibi mura ne team. No nya de oye no. Papa de oye ne moa no. Ti afei ne yebeka de wo ho kyere no. E wo say yen come up Kennedy ntire ho asese. He is not beyond the elephant. Now, Papa we wahu. Ono ankasa epe ne ho asem. Odren kakran sa. Wa pe ne ho asem. Wako akwa e de aba. Mimi aba amanya akome mo akwa aba. Wagwa, everything cool. Ono ankasa yesa akofa de aba. Trouble na be talking in the Japan so. Sheshe anu edre. Because we are saying when they say o tata ohufo eduba bia utumi shiani barima. That is what is going. Canada, Japan has been constantly trying to attack MPP. Party or say any dia. Now the why and this time they are boroso. The papa na here this time no. It is overdone. Enti ene san komo we neba bedi ho asem. Ye ne mu nyina be chafa. Ensema Kennedy aka. Response wo wanya. De ememe dwene fa ho. Ewia ne ma be phone lines na tum. Na won so wanya kwanya aba be kire de won so dwene e de fa de papa na ye no. Hima Monica be makwa papa. Abujafo Canada, Japan is becoming unbecoming in the party called MPP. Yatete from the background, from the back information said, the papa ni yeni nyinano, or yo because NDC may arrest him because Nensasu saw contract binumu according to sources no, Ajuma na was so wanyo, and Teja Gunichem. The man knows say it is possible, say Yoko for beti me invite no. So for that reason, anytime NDC scandal, ever babontina, and people for be arguing say yebe kasa fa ho bia no, Kennedy or Henry Agyapong will find a way say yen kasa emfa NDC ho. Nambom yebe kasa e de afa ne ho. According to sources and according to information, sir, Yensa can say Ken is doing all this because while na okande yenka and this for ebema na eden adaba bia ono ankasa on pese obeda. Enti aye say yesi o use tactics to protect himself. Mama Monica mo akwa kwaku kire mo akwa pa kwaku ochire. And I can say Canada Japan use tactics, strategy B to protect himself against the potential arrest of the NDC. Same way NDC for na kind of abonten e be boss video no so na mu nyina matie bi. But me amete hoyi. I can tell you an authority say Canada Japan catch that will say memma ya chiwa tuma. Minya Suro, because the man is wicked. For ye be pay. Minya Samuel Baines, the Mwaka Papa. Second, the case ube wua. Who ye? It is important thing. I can't say be such a wa. Me who here. In any case, I don't know. And Crawford money Kennedy Japan nam. So more advice, so more advice, I don't know. Because senka nipa de onyini drum pempen so obi na wonye gina bere bi position bi di bere bi e won nipa ko dom ekuo bi te se party political party ma e wo se de be firi wanu ma ba bia no enye well measured because asem na wo beka no asem na be firi wanu ma ba no e bia na affect wo personally But and I'm quite over so be cancer no. Asem betimi affect your entire political party we are associated with. And to somebody why a flag bearer for a party called MPP. Why in a better adwene that say obi a waba be gina say aspire so person mra medi party anim. Now I'm fine also me than a president. Why in a better sorry adwene say say nipa no betumi aso na no e de asisa party ne so adim traka de nim aka ho. The issue is the entire ye mubinom ye worried about what Ken is doing no. Ebia na manfo ntiase. Enye more about asem na okano, but it is about the truthness of what he's saying. So asem na okana ye no kure anase ye no kure. But ye nhwehwemu kwa ase no. Ensem akane di na ma okan e to MPP so no. Ba akokure ni we ye no kure. Eye ntro nkontompo na wahye fabricate na oka editia party ono ankasa se opeso nye dai o media nimo. Now people may not understand. I know Agyapong's plan. Kennedy wants to go out from the party, but he don't have the courage to move. Agyapong ya enka obe free party no or pe party no more free because no he has not grown to a point whereby otimi accept defeat. Abusia, oja tum se worry. It is a responsibility. And it says, and it's also about how we call maturity. And I think that Kennedy has not get to that point whereby he can stand and accept defeat. Because scientists sadia nkebe mo wa say yato abawie. Yato abawie. Ema 5 months in na still Canada Japan enam eguso ekeka nsem asoye angry ase ne buafu ase why can ensem a Canada Japan wo kan do ni the campaign ensem a Kennedy ohene a Japan wo kan the campaign breso editi abaomia MPP for mpanyfo and all the MPP sympathizers are not more support to baomia ebiniwe ye the onsema wo keka ye the yanka ahwintasem secret things in ken upaja the ba pontain adentia we say you want to be a president, and to be a president you want to disgrace the party on which you want to ride to become a president. Now you say a free form a cost. Why your campaign portal? Why your campaign and a tribal? Why your campaign and a religious bigotry? Why your campaign and a crazy form of campaigning? Why your campaign and you'd never give a respect even to the constitution of the party that he wanted to lead? Yakotwa ba mo na warrior. What's the one tiasie wadwa? Na ehun abufuo ntino, you are still yelling across after 5 months. Kennedy, if you want to go out of the party, asa trelete na fabra na be ka kire MPP for mpanyfo say you are going away. Yem pamwo. Say odwene say o betete yen said ya wo kan in one of your videos num. Na MPP for ya pamwo. Now they are semaka. They are freely to be a victim of MPP in one can say MPP mafia. Yem pamo one obeko. Na so se unko obetenam. Now be din tretwa ntro e de agu party so dia. Don't worry. Yes you be you ano. Ebanisa don't cry. Ebanisa don't start saying enam ye panyini enam mfa buo ma masa e so mu ho. Ubu ho a automatically the young ones obia bebu. Your Friday be say respect is reciprocal. We see MPP party will not sack Agyapong from the party. We will not give you that chance to think or to show or to classify yourself as a victim of NPP mafia. Yeah, mouse no. Me Agyapong kofi mu akwa pa. Nyankopon adom bibia ho hope se won so bibia ye. Star Ghana me chia ye pa. Adinka me chia won so. The MPP will not give you that benefit to feel a victim of the party. Yeah, ma wo kwan. And now you will not get it. We will not allow you to have the benefit of being a victim, to victimize the society. So your pamo because now we cannot correct. We on contomponiken. When dintro, emene. Nipa okasa ma umpono, your friend on radio sono. He did not know what to say. Now, I kwesi kwa ate muso sube diska. Na sesika we de, obe bre wo ho ansa na wadi. Sasika we, eye bresika, obe bre wo ho, bra aware memo akwa abapa. Veronica Abaido mechiao, Vons Amos mechiao, Kwame Sapo mechiao na Angel Saint mechiao, Pong Emmanuel mechiao, Abdul Majid Mohammed, Konso mechiao yepa. Kwasi kwa atin se or pesikadi in terms of communication, or ye adwuma te se communicator de American de Japan. But I think said he can receive any salary. But adwuma kan de Japan they atok akwa we so no. Anytime. If Kennedy opens his mouth outside for 2 times, rest assured, say one is a problem. He has to come and defend. I was assembling Ayeka. The Ayeka mana kwa kusini say, Mame Esther Kewa ni mami wakwab. Kennedy pamu free party no mo ne, pamu free mo chna. We will not give you the joy to say MPP for pamu free party no the odiakob. Victim. No, we will let you stay in the party. When you lie, we will come and expose you. So hena afono na untumi ntina party na papa. Just write a letter and tell the party members and leaders that you are no more part of the party. But say we see na ye mepamu na wakojira bonten say we no kure kanti ma o party for pamu free party ma. Ye ma sa akwan no. Because in some now anything Japan is saying out there today concerning Agenda 111 is a lie. The fact is say one district, one factory, or say a man for the contract, command Agenda 111 say a cotton contract, it is a lie. If no, Kennedy should mention the names of the people. Kennedy should mention the names of the people. Hey, ya come here to say, a JB daddy if the back Kennedy so. He's protecting himself. And he wants to sacrifice the party called MPP to protect his business. It will not happen. Papa, but if you they will hold you accountable and you will not use MPP to protect yourself. We will not allow that thing to happen. Dear Nancy, menim se munyina mate. Kennedy Agyapong watra parliament emfia duonu 20 good years. Asenko yobi oye intellectual nka parliamentary what them call regulations, parliamentary procedures. I was saying nko katanania nka obetumi akai aka. Kennedy watra parliament ya onim how Afari Military Hospital was built, who started it, how it was planned, the reason, the benefit, the impact. Onim ni no. Kennedy went outside, closing his eyes, trying to lie to Ghanaians. Adentia, osro se NDC for better see the track so ye hwe na niamam. It is NDC for din kwa asem. Na people for your communication ye de. Say ye wa asem ka na yasoma Kennedy say o meka bibi mfamfam. Me ba ma. Accra na adan river. Accra adan river. Yeah, 24 years. Yeah, thank you, Adinka. Accra is the capital city of our country. Adan river, Adan so ultimate boat, no, the seasonal nam chrono. Ye can't same way. Ye can we. Now, no Matiak in the Japan quarter radio so say president can't say Ghanaians we should be disciplined. We are not disciplined in so Aja Krafa. On any yard. But Canada Japan young people knew the free say Papa we friend John Dalaga during the campaign time. Or can say or bar. He is going to solve the problem. And he say, if it is because of discipline, and I so far crowd, yeah. Why are you here today to tell us again? Say it is because of indiscipline. You didn't say about indiscipline. And the promise you promise, and I say you want to solve the fraud in Accra. What bad solve the message you? Yeah, can't say we are not in Japan. Coco General Radio so say on the Mahama ya jene. Hey Kennedy. In himself, send me asa. Sana semnon sign. Me about me body man. Didn't tell me guess a semnon sign. Now no yakoda sorry. MPP minority member of parliament or more parliament. Sorry, say omo ko Afari military hospital. Akoye inspection because omo him say na do ye adwuma. Emma hospital no get to 98%. Na adwuma na sa. So they don't understand why I say you spend the taxpayers' money. A tour dear debt. You spend a tour do way a kugu grim. Na and this ya buy a bar way in any. Na on cranty a quackery. Ye koya and this ya buy and cause sell soldier for the more because on more monk correct. Asam na ba ye can't want some. We are telling Ghanaians how and this is a wicked as a party. How criminals they are. Now, unim the ya ne say, adwuma de ya yamanaka 2%. Ho ka nyina MPP abanye pia ni nyina. Amanaka $500,000. Na o say yamfama sebio contractor no mani wi Afari military hospital no. And this for akotwa omo ho aba say they need $85 million. Till $500,000. Anaka say MPP are buying and the Bema offended then contractor that or the key in the shop on some. And this is for a survey by almost say they need $85 million to make for the military hospital operational. And MPP for say that be a possible. Yefra by 1.5 years in here. Sa project way, ye papa je kufo ni project enti ye nim ho asem ye ba ye no ye na ebe to aso e na ye nim ba bia ye adwuma na duro enti asem an disi fo mo kan enye nokore enti wo ma ye nko na yemfo ye ni nkonko hwebi enam san disi nim se odi ntro na opega na fo sika wia na ompese Ghana fo benya hint ne se ye nokore so mu wi sika ntino and this aban amma MPP for akwanya mo nkwankohwe Afari Hospital no asem na ba beto abonten na ye ka papa we sori ya mini watwa Kennedy Agyapong o say adentia MPP for mo ka kire ndisi for say omo complete hospital na mo mpo no abetena konwa so boss emfe nwotwe mo antumi anwie hwane hwan onyante de ye kana se o onyante ase say the NDC is stealing. Omo boy chrono $85 million would I say and niba be na boy chrono. Kennedy Agyapong don't want to listen. The man don't want to reason. Obabontia, see NPP has no reason to demand NDC to make Afari military hospital 500 hospital bed capacity. And who here some people for the country Mahama say on your day. Omni hospital no because MPP betan konwa so emfie nine enwotwe one complete until there is no need and I come Kennedy ate papa Kennedy there is something in your memory ho na wayira no hospital no MPP fra konwa so na yesia to 98% yetwa ho kanyira. So there is no way say I was saying some go to $85 million in operational. So we are holding the government accountable. Say he must to open or show me a hospital no na amanfo no ni so mfa so me yasa me jase mu akwa papa Kennedy so on TV da wadwa e na onam abonten e na guarantee what we call press conferences out. Now I don't want to be only person American asem we ho asem. Me pese wonti a video no asem a Kennedy Agyapong kind of video no. Me wia na mamo ahwe asema former minister of defense or the Ababonten, those who were in charge of the Afari Hospital. Now me the picture chile, but I'm people back saying an Afari military hospital system, and saying an MPP fra kunyam net here. Now utie asema Kennedy can ye say MPP for anya we am far for the military hospital. Why? Then you understand me why it's like I'm angry. Video way.
You know, I was the chairman for Defense and Interior. This hospital, NDC, it was started by President Kufuor, the locations and all those things. NDC came to start it whenever. When we came, I'm an MPP, but I have to tell you the truth. We're talking about Ghana and nobody. We didn't do anything. Read my lips. I'm telling you the gospel truth. I was the chairman for Defense and Interior. When we decided to go and inspect Afari, they stopped us. We didn't go. So I heard somebody talking 15 months. Has Afari Hospital been there for 15 months? We were there for 8 years. You didn't do it. Don't blink your eye. See, we are not doing politics. I'm speaking the truth. This is Ghana. Stop that. We will criticize NDC, we will criticize MPP. That's the only way to go. I was chairman. NDC started this. Why didn't you complete it? You were there for 8 years, you didn't complete it. When somebody comes for 15 months, then you have a problem. Please, give me a break. Ghana, we should love our nation and stop playing politics with everything and do the right thing for the country. And that is what I'm doing. You see, when I mentioned MPP, he was blinking his eye. Why do you want me to criticize NDC and leave MPP? When I know that both parties, they didn't do the...
Yes, Interbusian force, Utie, Papa, and Asemi Okan year. I see MPP by for the whole time MPP better than Kunyaso, or mine yahweh. Now, on same way, Papa, kind. So you'll be a Ujira Bontene. So you'll be a Ujira Bontene. Now be a woman only informations about what this man is talking about. You may fall, and yes, you may fall. It is easy for you to believe in what Kennedy Agyapong is saying. Why? This is because young people need and all can some enter say and they are far people. So it becomes easy for everyone to say, okay, so Kennedy Agyapong can't same way they are. So Kennedy Agyapong can't same way they are, and you cannot be lie. It is true. But this is where the problem is. And intinama ye mubunum ye jano because so far as you will handle that position in MPP, ye do na ye paja osoro ebo wabaso se we one of the big men in the MPP no. Asema ube free wanuma bano. It is important and you must value your speech before you spread it out. But papa ne ntiasie ena wakata nani ena nkontompo what is not true self. This man will tell Ghanaians. Temiye pa, me na efre me Kennedy Agyapong Junior no. Me say, papa na kata nani, and even what is not true krano, or kata nani no oka. Asema papa na ka ne hono. Asamba akukura ni ho eye no kure. There is not a single word from the mouth of Kennedy Agyapong na eye no kure. You can't tell me NDC started the Afari Military Hospital. Enye no kure da. Afari Military Hospital, it is an aerojet project initiated by J.A. Kufuor. Pacho muntem ye pa. Say ye can, Afari Military Hospital na UMPP ni panyini ente say na obeka kire me say NDC for na start ya wagu ho ani mase from the first case because it is not true. It is not true because the Afari Military Hospital is an eloget project ya Yewura J.A. Kufuor ene hyase. Na papa ne hyase no kure ne Nyankopon animu nie. Me kese owie ya na meboa wa wie. O hyase no wa wie. Pacho Tiemiye pa, I want us to read what is written here. Me kan intentem pa. Ye wie a na mabo other videos de akire wa MPP 4.4 bi no ba abonten. Ede no kure na e wo ho na ba abonten. Tieniye pa. I said the MPP Health Policy Committee set the record straight on the Afari Hospital project and called Kennedy Agyapong to order. The MPP Policy Committee on Health has released the official documented timeline and financial breakdown of the Afari Military Hospital project. And the MPP for Omo committee omo hwe apomu yade ho omo the letters omo the people about bontra omo kire say Kennedy Agyapong was lying. Yento aso na yenko yanim na tie what is in. Penny ye pa na ho hia. O say ye sika kwa omo fa so sika ntoto any project kwa omo fa so you say this addresses commentary stated by the Kennedy Agyapong, who claimed that the administration did nothing in 8 years. Here is exactly the chronologic and the undeniable fact. Between 2010 and 2008 and 2013, the hospital was first contracted for a site at Sofola in Kumasi. It underwent multiple site relocation before finally settled at Afari. Enti adewe from 2008 and come 2013. Nanka percent is Sofola, but ankoye they search for a different places, but ankoye and sanayeko Afari. I honor site no yeah possible. Also in 2014, physical construction officially began at the Afari site. Into 2008, Nandi Kufuor, and an etia kunyaso. Omuye ntotoye ye bibia, ema bibia jinaye, but babia no mo peso Munsi Hospital no. E was so for life hono. And to me amaso, enti ye sign ye den. E twen say ye benya good site ye betumi ediasi hospital. Ye nto aso. Enti 2014 omo sha ase so Munsi bibia. 2016 ye see adwuma no eho adwuma no ye yama no koduru 40%, but from 2017 to 2024 ananadu bedi akonwa they were able to do the project to 82% of the job. 92% by January 2025. Now after the military hospital ya adwuma to 98%. Aka only 2% to complete it. Now, what is more important to listen is I say the only amount outstanding to be contracted is $500,000, not $85 million claimed by the majority in parliament. And the woman who here was on TSN said the NDC wanted to steal the country. 85 million. MPP 40 miachi won said they are stealing. Ye can one sema Kennedy Agyapong si on tiasie ma ye nka ho asem because osuro say NDC for bachelor. In fact, listen to what this man said about the Afari Military Hospital.
Yes, yawa. Ye nyina yate ensem wa enne nam ewiem enche ye bia ana Deputy Minister for Defense, the Honorable Project Temfi ebetroye beka ye say Ghana by at the contractor or ye Afari Military Hospital, 500 bed capacity hospital. I want Asante Memu sika sebe United States dollar 85 million. Na eno enya no kre. Esan se a free 2021 ebesi 2024 ahobrase mi a migina hai na me deputy defense minister me anso na me chairman for the project implementation unit na ba bia ni ho asa ekai ewo ho na de wo mu ni se ye beka ya 2008 ana yewura kofo apreso onya loan bosia a ye de ba besi Afari Hospital 2009 ye to aba sabi fofi antoata ana MPP edi nkubu ana NDC ebae NDC bae no enfie ensia echi ansana bosia yenya no 2009 ana 2008 ana adwuma no ebetimi akoso no omwantimi anye 2008 President Kufuor Abreso loan okoji na 180 billion United States dollars. Adwuma ye koye na 10 key projects sabe poto kasem 10 key ye twa a ye hia ne se wode yesafoa ebema ye antimi ama so sa enam se NDC omo efiensia achi ansa na omo timi de aso akobofom contractor no ede sikasem foforo ba se obehia se ye betimi ama no sika kakra aka ho esan se emre abetwam efiensia achi de sika ode bae no na 36 billion United States dollars. Empanyinfo ene de tena ase no mo ka se da bi. Afa ye hweye no na ba bi a ensem kan no ekosiye no 19.3 billion dollars. Aban atua sa sika no inara. Enu achi ana contractor no esa de sika sem bi ebaye a na ya about 6.5 million. Empanyinfo etena ase bio ehwemu no no mo se da bi. Sa sika ese de mawa enye yi enu ntini kasa no ekowie se yebetua no 3 million dollars. 3 million dollars no empanyinfo etua 2.5 million. Enti eba beka 500,000 eno ne eka ye de contractor no. Enti ene se ekoba se empanyinfo eba beka to yasum se ye de contractor no hia 85 million dollars and san wetimi akoye adwuma wa Afari ana sabe hospital no yetimi enya ede aye adwuma yete ase a enye yi se ebehwa adwuma ye nyina in percentage terms yakane nyina ba bia dansie ba bia sabe kwan ye nyina in percentage terms yaka na se ye ba betua 85 million to complete a juma sabe 2% aka 2% there and 900% no minuanom.
Yes, intimia ba mi badima. We any krono a na NDC for epe abogana for MPP the mighty minority. Enya line 10 and on babon say okay. My yenhwe juma kura mo aye ana juma kura wo ho amo kwa akoya na menu sunti no. Musimu hia 85 million dollars as Tamotimi ama hospital na ye juma. Asem we na ye kan Kennedy say he is the honest man. Ti asem no you. Say one hwe na one ti asem we asena wo ti ase from the other side na amanfo se Kennedy kan okore eni nti aga MPP for person obekasa na one hwe obe fall into that because the reality is different. The MPP is actually telling NDC for say why do you need 85 million US dollars to complete the hospital? Yen free abaimu. Na ye amanaka 2%. Biemu na yen kohwe ade aka. What is needed more? Ye adwuma no fa bebere wie. Enti kire ye de aka enam so ntia usu hia 85 million dollars. And this inkobie ma yen kohwe amuso omumie. Ya ba abonte na ye ka ho asem a na Canada Japan abegina say MPP has no right to condemn NDC to open the hospital. Adenti I say or no or kanokre. Kennedy, how can you tell me say oh kanokre abra ye bo man no krono 85 million dollars? Na wote ho na wonim wate na won kan no ho asem. Na mbom asem a wo kan say enipa no bi no ma na bra asem de ya ne ni o. Look at this. Yempo na yenye politicians a yen sheda ni yenti abam yen kotena aban mu dan mpo no. Ye was information way. Look at this picture. Her picture were you 2016. Abra NDC fra kunwam. Na ye kase na NDC for a year juma to 40% no. The 40% no any picture na wo hu no wasoro ho no. I think you can see the picture. Picture na wo hu no wasoro ho no. That is the 40% of the job. In 2024, Afari Military Hospital, in 2024, look at the hospital the way it is. In 2025, it was finished, fully equipped, 2%. Munkobi Hospital now, Mamfonya Babina, because the NDC want to cover the legacy of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, J. Kufuor and Dr. Bawumia administration, you know, they don't want to open it. Ye can na Kennedy obejina bonten e ba be yedede. Dede ya wo ye emfaso be na abaso. You have just disgraced yourself to people, to the MPP supporters. But one thing Kennedy knows, and he's even afraid of, and I say, onim so ye na dwen se odo no ankasa ne pe. APA Afri Party no ma. And Crofona Mudi na chini nyina, nobody will follow him because people love the elephant before Kennedy. A elephant no na ama Kennedy. Sabi obabi e wanyina dru. Edina waje. Udina ye born Ghana maimu. It is because of MPP. If it wasn't MPP, you wouldn't have reached where you are. Kufuor gave you money, gave you contract just to make you rich, to support your party, not to become an enemy of the party. Yeah, young school, me a meti amanko school be a minima kenkai. Photo ye da hoyi. Bra, how can you tell me, say, photo ye da suru hoyi, emapin photo ye da from you hoyi, obia nye bibia wo ho. From 40% to 98%. It is 58%. At Amos Jobahama net time, only 40% NNDC for a year. MPP came in and took the 60% on his chest to finish the product. Yeah, we aka 2%. What by your Jumana also the Bebogana for chrono. Yeah, can we now so MPP now my nka. Bra, you are not an MPP person. You are doing everything for your personal interest. Yanto asuden ko yanim afadi semya bane ye ka ho asem na ye ka na ye nwie ya Kennedy say so far as MPP from point for ba bonten abekire nsem num na ye nyae amana ni ntro fa ngwa MPP suntini wadwa osore ya na wakọ ni radio ayefre ne oman radio so okoma yen ka ne sen okokasa okagranti interview Papa iko so ko grantee interview a waye ntotroto wase akofa asem kese kura na diaba yenko ti asem o kan ye firi ho a na ye tie how the MPP and the NDC are now firing Kennedy Agyapong. Yentie video no mu wakakra bet yentie na yate ne nsem na ode nam no na kire obi frɛ na o kire na adwen a wan tranchen ankese nipa koro nya de oye na onye ne ye yentie Kennedy Agyapong interview mrasisia
Media. Kamo pese Ghana yeyi. Kamo maye nka no kure. Unya eya bia nenye. Na wo si wonu enti menka. Wo be den na wo kure ya waka se Ghana. Ye pese yeyi. Ekwan be ne first we be. Na me are disappointed in bia me offer Babna support. Se mimi kwa. Ono no e chairman. Ono no e chairman. Omo sanity who said that Bena or the Parliamentary Select Committee on Defense and Interior, ECOI. Now, Uncle checking in minutes. She a friend Bisaya or Kase. Omo aye to 85%. Then I echo Oma Mianko. See, Minia, Asana Abba, and this is what mistake, MPP mistake. A Ghana. And ye did not to a passo and ye who yeah, the only pa, Omo Yaria, Minka, Obi says, ye didn't call China. The refer will be or India. And to see a year near a year. You better call India and not China. Say Yadian Toa and I will say, oh, more dainty, who to make cat in Alpibia. May MPP for them ye better. Men can be the answer. Now, Omufi said, Niomo Yano, our campaign, they may they can't shut me down. Ghana for person here. Mummy say agenda 111. To be completely back Ukraine. Ton contract, and the other people at 10%.
Tio, Abushanti Tiasam na ye kan ye. Wakoko di ntro. Mo kai before Kennedy say he was co-founder of the MPP. And Kwabena Agyapong ebete ne to. Eno papa so dey our pie ne bu afu dendende. The same thing. And now wakoko di ntro na eba bete oto a afei de o say obeyi another issues they about thing. Issues be say enipa binom akoton agenda 111 contract the amount for. Bon crofo ni din na yetwe won asoso no so akoya asem. Momenko so na entie nsem oka.
Ghana, me say agenda MPP for they should be careful with me. Say me ya better. Ya mess beans all over the place. Now man the culture say me manye president amini. Me free me sight never know. I'm only thinking of the youth of this country and not MPP. Agenda 111 mummy say wom say ba kokoro mu wie ya. They sold obiti contract now akoton watching 10%. Anybody need to be we are moving about the criticize NDC for me and we'll be so day contract Abraham say onye now on pure 11%, $55 million or per 11%. And you on pure advance 7% and say no the amount. Masa Ghana edi ni yakui. Ghana edi ni yakui. Politicians, we are deceiving the general public. And obi antimi come anuntu. My jeans everything men kasani yino. Obi antimi scared me this country. So long as I live, na me ye Ghana ni, na me tu kwan, na me musa ni ankofo building wo mukura. Me ma obi an scare me Ghana ha. I'm not afraid of anybody. I will only speak the truth. Enti so mo promise anyi ju o mano na bodin agenda 111 wo mo agie wo ko ton ye. Please Ghana aden mo de mo wi ana sorry ba mo ko hospital wo baby. We have to be fair to Ghanaians. Enti obi say we are better. Now what do me ye didi who ka say we are better who obi. Who obi. Now what I catch say president be gwan be. Why na catch say president nko anybody we are mo sorry mo koye la sulala. Na mo beg businessmen for sika. Come and see the people that are coming to me. Me na officer me better. Opposition, who is talking? Who is talking? Because I think the word to bring in Amoto. Kasa says here, Yababa the fall. Who is defending MPP? I've been quiet. But Obia to me and Kamikasa Boa and show. My shadow my 18. But Obia for 1 year. Documents I'm remember out. Rather catch them say, be me a bitter.
Honorable, now,
in fact, the American say Kennedy is really better. Say in country that's so better. I want to tell Kennedy, pray. Say the man is actually better. Because about na ye two, you know, and that's such an team. We are now papa na way, you know, or you free the team. Why are not going to say the tea biano? I was on and coming the president. But one say, yes, say, three move far. Yeah, day. Yes, say, three move far, and deben, say, Utima Buan Kawo, said, dear Ben. On this on Rankasa Kaba say, yes, you're better, papa, you're better. One hour can say your money during the campaign wouldn't free. So, how can you turn around and come and tell me you're better? You are more than better. You are more than better. But you can't tell us saying Kuran no mudi what you or yo ken no. Omunim what is politics about. And ya so the fear near wo. Yentia so the demo. Yenti Pentecost demo. And yentin kramo demo. And yes some na yes mo. a man yourself ideology that unite people together. Ye can also until because when you're nkura bi no omunim de ekoso. And omudi wachi, and omuyo osaken, and waniaji, and I was sepel. One will say why you are a ne, party no be one can say you feel uncomfortable. Because whom are you going to associate yourself with? Why now do Hong Kong to say what damn for what party? No, where did you mean at them? I see. Where did the MPP from paying for you? So now everyone obi biam person no be in connected. Na po a ye wadam for na po ye body kura o kasa ya san ko kasa tie de tiam na po. O fa ni say akwa na o sa asaboni jama ampin o fa ni what is the name? That short man, the best economist in the world. What is the name of that short guy? Oh, what is the name? Oh, Binchile Mame. The best economist of the world. Also, when you know what it is politics, Ken. And ya sorry na yetie. Don't let people deceive you. Ukita sikano kwana ubana uka so be campaigner. Amamfo bedi wachi. Me da asema me amasteka. Stekano, once stekano mi no moja wa boho. They have all left you. I'm concerned about Kwaba, Palekedus, Yamichi, Yepa. One says, Tekanum, you know, Muchawabo. It is politics. And ya sorry fear wo. And ya bronsam esum na yesum. And ya kunyabi na yesumo tonken. Why ya microphone be actually one flu? Because somebody ni bufua secret. Or a very dangerous person. Enipa ni bufua ade a wona ye no nkokwam. Or the bar bonten e kan it say the enye hwe no. That person is dangerous to be your friend. You adam for the day you secret kakra bi obenya. Ye no mi ye so dia sabio if you try your hui. Na okofa wadam for bi onanumu asem dooso. Maybe our boyfriend or girlfriend be, and our partner be. Na wadamfo, or you'll be a nibufu or kikan and sama. You better pam free. So nobody wants to deal with Kennedy Agyapong. Everyone don't want to be with him. And Kennedy feel alone. Kennedy is lonely. He is lonely in the party because that is what he wanted. And that happened. And what drama one kasa. And your personal conduct na do what could do because we told you, man, don't go that strange. Yes, how but the uncrankro montiasia no more budget so no more bossa mamo, one more 5 Ghana, no more bossa mamo, no more do a chin out to poncoso, no dim quade, and then on there. Why are you crying? But by man for dinner, coming to say, mo ya me bomudin, always threaten them people. Threaten. Can one say na yinti a threaten? Can I yinti? Moment to a video no so.
2021 on the issue of Galamsey, o can say approach a ye yusu say ye pese di to ase no emwa but rather kese say conscientize the minds of omo ye involved no omo nyina emwa ye timi etu ase
afetien yi omo se me ye becha MPP for we couldn't fight Galamsey because majority of executives in no me Galamsey and also woman control a woman platform Mr. Woman.
Wow.
It's no book country ni sa yeah mo na mo be blame obi me a better say there but me say me call election me say me lose I really don't care but I'm not going to work for MPP. That mean I will have a catch 10 cents of Canadian Agyapong. And now let me talk. I mean, my private self, Mimini Abronya and Kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimini Atachia and Kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimini Adrasapo and Kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimini Chairmansa and Kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimini Koka and Kojina platforms in your campaign.
You don't put it next year, Makasa. You see what will happen in this country.
Ken, now free. Maybe we wouldn't say you are the only human. Kennedy, you think say you are the only human. You are not the only human. No. How you feel, no? How are you feeling there? And I'm saying, any pani binum can fall. I will say, I show no. You said things that were even more dangerous about other people. Attach yan carry, attach ya say, wo, you do the president, I'll become a motherfucker. And no correct in the heat debate, who to become a motherfucker. One carry when you attempt. But I don't attach ya no, because all you mature, you or you be also ya better, so no nin comobium or no non casabium. But say who feel it, say you offended, you don't want to talk with other people. Bet that one in your mind, they say, one so some now can far a man for binomo. The same, some of these people also don't want to talk with you. And you don't or any power. It's not because you say, oh, you can't, everybody will accept your character. For that, some no two, Tim Kennedy. For that, some no two, Tim said, is it not because of your money? And you will see canity and it will be better than the amount. So it's not all of them that are even ready to come with you on a platform to campaign. For no two, Tim, be conscious of your sins. And ya man for one, the one I was saying, come. Till once I said, was an utia man for nine so. Utia ya betia Dr. Bawomian and a yere. Omon nine so. Akufa utia and nine so. Jay Kufotia and nine so. Papa your body do chairman sabonsu. Utia and nine so uncro for tata no the D na tem. Now who couldn't go attach you so say what to car, what to feed your man and no credit on cannon because of friendship. Now what damn for fa ewo yentem. One put to respect on that Adam for fa. Now can the end your family one. You don't want me to reply. I didn't hear because I'm a king. I'm a rich man. Massa. When is one name crying a dear ground? Who the echo? Moment to us in the video.
You think I'm afraid of you guys? I am not afraid of anybody. I've decided to keep quiet. But if you push me to the wall, you will see some power. Please.
Nobody
can scare me in this.
No one is pushing you to the wall. And you want to appear on one country buying because of your character, your conduct. Kwanya ofa so awoye wo campaign. And sembinu ma onke kan ye atemudi odidi northerners. Kaseti ya northerners. Nkramofo didi omo atem. Some big men no more party omo ye nkramofo omo ye nsremofo na asefo no. They don't want to have any interaction with you. Enti ye one or do ho atwere buying. Papa we pa westro na manfo e budget so.
This country. Nobody. Yeah, everyone of mine know better. Oh God, you know how much propaganda. More mistakes you want to see. Say parliamentary select committee on health. Ranking member, ekas omukwa enkura enya you ho. What na ho 8 years no. Wa hu se nkura ebeba ho. Adenji na mo bese kana kwese. What na ho 8 years. Wa hu se nkura ewo ho. And now we be about 15 months ago. Okwa di nkura ho. Now the youth of this country, a day will come, they will rise against us. One day, a near my best will grammar. A BS will Tunisia, only a thing. It will be a politician, no peace out here, when you scar, Moncoso, Namia bitter. This time, Better to be a children. What do you mean? Abranya, who is it? Abranya, me, the money is to come and correct campaign, or say, Bawomia, Ecofa, Esiamini, Amana Betuno, Mr. Hina Mademano. The man car first. And you know what choosing me, no one was stationer. Masada Mighty. Munya may say from June 2027, MPP for no action, you will be surprised. And I am not afraid of any human being. Nobody can intimidate me in this country. We will speak the truth. Anything that is not good for the country, I, Kennedy Agyapong, I will speak. If it's good for the country, I will speak. You better boni pabaso. If you won't now could defend the MPP, Mr. Sappho, I respect you a lot. But you can't call me a liar when you don't even have the information. Whoever to Parliament, I can meet in the please, I respect you. I will land here. But next time, me ferro, only reading na me fermo, me bupa. And please, I urge you, information you and san wa bekasa. Anya sa kwaya obefa so akasa, me suma tumi akasa bi. Me suro bi ha, e wo Ghana. Obi aso mo bra enche. Opa bu tu kwaya say dey see and respect you na be do ha. Wo obi ti say koka say me ya pa ni tirim. Oni mu ya beto no. And before we are ready, me see June, July 2027, me no more action. Ghana, you'll be surprised. You think I'm stupid? I'm stupid to come and follow you guys again? I'm stupid?
Honorable.
We have a 10 cents of Kennedy Agyapong. No wait and see what will happen. Me slow, me catch them. Me see me slow happening. No wait and see. I've given you the time. Say June 2027, you see action in this country.
Ma yana wase honorable
Dina ma ye nyina no tie omunko ridi omunko tie Kenny Rogers enyum your friend the gambler na omun famu nyansa omun ni enti amema yeti I know when to run and I know when to hit omun ni eba wo mo now this is misro mine I say I bring up our needs and poor Ghana. Minimum, Opia, Obatabi, Obia, me feed you, me feed you. On young who near back to Ghana. On young who I bring it. Now I will deal with him at my own time. Be a mabody, be a chairman's Papa, chairman's and Papa in there, and the Kumasi Afari, Monjimiania. Useless people.
honorable ma yana wase
Interbusan se utia. Kennedy Agyapong mom na edidi amamfo atem o, but odidi atem na wia na wadan na ho say amamfo. And he keeps on threatening people every day. I will show MPP every day. Na mo sika na mo Ken. I can't just a party now with dear children. Enye unko awudi o. We are all in the party because of one political ideology. Enti enema bi na enko ye na pasaka wano tum enye dede kensi dabi ene wa ya ma party mu mpamfo nyina obi bia ne ope wani mahwe party mu mpamfo bia ne ho a ope Kennedy Agyapong wani mahwe enti ene wadwa na wo de ekoso a na treti amamfo na di amamfo atem bete bana amamfo so bedi watem no bia na wadwa na ode yento aso ne yenko yanim Ken mi jawama college no later wa betu samia yento aso asem we call so na miracles aboaje efuru simpie ni apa eno so won kire mu kakra e de MPP for ni Kennedy Agyapong crofo momentie.
He mentioned specific names. Do you think, sir, in the interest of party unity, those specific names, you should maybe render an unqualified apology to him, and then you can move on as a party?
Now, if they say they won't do, are they the party? Those individuals, some of them are MPP. You have personal issues with people, personal problem. You feel that some individuals have personally hurt you. Are they MPP? Obi me two way. Me kwam na me MPP. Into who can say some miracles. Antonio Mama Mia. MPP. Oh, what are you doing? That is not how we run a political party. It is a winning flag bearer. And then Dr. Mahmoud Bamia, say, Obi Kabenide. Aden Obi. It is another year flag bearer. And then Dr. Mahmoud Bamia, say, and Kabenide. Obi, okay, Bantada. Okay, Honorable J.H. Mesa.
Yeah.
Onoana Konta, President Kofo. 1 year campaign in Tiano. Uncle Gina campaign, I think I said President Kofo, Aya Banchidada, or you know, just Wayento. President Kofo winning prime minister. What's a year? Said that JH went and then baby, completely, you don't threaten the new patriotic party. You don't. There is no justification for it. If you want something to be done, you don't threaten the party to have it done. By 23 years in the party, no party the great design.
Asempa FM.
Obi party no edisɛn. So what you say? It's young crying, yes, sir. It's Mona Mote party, Nana more party no fitting. If you do this, you are putting all of us our lives at risk. We wake up in the morning and labor for this party. Koshe, ko Facebook na ko Twitter la koshe. Obi, me wo constituency. The show say am rant here call up and down. Ye adwuma ma party we. Na nipa baako. Nipa baako because we say nipa mienu ana miense bi. O ma ye bibia ma na ye oyenti. O to party ni na atwene. Na wo so be justify. When our lives are at risk, people's future at risk. Omo muti opa obi bi already here. Na my MPP for etie won kasa obete ya omudi. For the past 6 months, this party has been on course. After the discussing. When was the last time I was to discussing MPP say? Now they take beer you be discussing MPP in this light, Diano. It should be coming from you. Why? You're too baby honorable Brana Champo. So Lucy, what is our BBC? Only concern. Now to Obia quite let you know Lusudo yes here. You bet me from my room. Dr. Mahmoud Bamia lost a national election. Have you heard him do this to the country? Now Dr. Bamia Obi Wadaroma, Dr. Bamia Obi and Dinatem. Respectfully, honorable Agyapong himself and ne supporter on one kasa openly insulted Dr. Mahmoud Bamia on one kasa openly on the camera scene him did Dr. Mahmoud Bamia them. What is that Dr. Bamia can say member of no make kasa this will be family. Why? Why are you holding all of us at ransom? I'm very passionate about this conversation because me no kasa fiti no pa makasa radio so makoma ko sex. Mada me kum ne afre no me njane na mafa phone. I was just on Joy News. Me yes me to nkwa na asempa sai frame. Me na masa abefa call. Ko to Facebook na ko hwe, ko Twitter na ko hwe. Obi, there are MPP young people. Ya pamo mo fi o madwuma because some MPP for. They are counting on this party to get back to power. There are young patriots. Obi, oye na dwuma o Kumase, wa settle on in the family. Oye MPP nti, NDC aban we buy. Your person no call wale. Obi a wabɔ ne ho atena ase wɔ Kumase a we posi na akɔ wale da bɛn na ɔba be peska aboabɔ ne ho afa ne mma akɔ wale akɔ school e de ma no obi yɛ adwuma wɔ Tamale ɛhɔ no te ɔyɛ bibia wɔ hɔ ya posi ne fi Tamale e de na bɛsen abankan da bɛn ɛndɔ ɔba kɔ frɛ me ɔso yɛ adwuma wɔ diare ɔwɔ Tamale ɔmo posi ne fi Tamale de na abankan because ɔyɛ MPP he has to come to Accra with his 5 children and his wife. How is this person supposed to even readjust? These people have been victimized and they are counting on the MPP to come to power. That is what the parties and its members are focused on. We are not focused on individual interests, what we feel, any emotions. Obi, yeni abre. It's a question I didn't want to comment on this thing. Me na kasa or joy, man commenting on it. But me tie no asempa no, me raho.
Sempa FM.
Why do we do this? Dear Bonnie Pano Dr. Mahmoud Bamia. Oh, Boboni Pami saying, Nakam so about Dr. Mahmoud Bamia. Din Nkonoa be so ya ba be paucho. Eto pa ben biom. Dr. Bamia ba wo fie no abetena se. Anyway din komo. Wa company fu aka nyina ho ne o din komo. E de biom no ye. To Dr. Mahmoud Bamia no kasada. Se o kaseti obi akwala na penin kwada obi. What ba kompoda. Sinipa no na flag bearer. She bra papa ya bre. 2024 campaign or yeah. Tadwe da papa etim. Any ideas or one man mind way or that to akonya so. Me no ka say committee meetings koso or no more say almost to provide alternative solutions to this country. But he can only implement this thing when he wins power. Or so no pedia na ma betu bibia tum.
Yeah, but he even made the point, say, for the past 6 months, party for Motu Abayi mu leader every no. Obia yeko mkasa kramon kasabi ena obia mpontimen kretaize aban because munyina no o yusu phrase be atente huo etria mu nua moto ti obia krantimen kasa ena party na samu wo ho ena aban ni ibu na oman no muntime kran kasa you heard that as well.
Is it true? And you see, that is even disrespect to the teaming party people are omuye jumama MPP because obi what's your sempa. You know the news and the stories you have been discussing on Asempa. Is it the case? Say MPP, Is it the case?
Asempa FM.
Isn't the NDC and it's for the same communicators all over the place defending this government. And your interview and Ndra, and when you be discussing, and won't we be discussing the NDC government? The most expensive government in the history of this country. The most expensive government in the history of this country, and it's our way. And on another year discussing as a in the interview, no. And maybe you should remind him. So that is what we're discussing. I have personally called on all our communicators not to comment on this and ask them. It's even at their displeasure. When I gave them that gag order, some of them even disagreed with me, but I told them that is their order. I didn't even want to comment on this. But for you to even come and say MPP for job by normal Obi, is that true? The millions of MPP people who have taken this government on, you are basically saying someone here. It's hurtful. It's very hurtful. So me know say any interview or threatening party here. And by now you discussing over bloated budget for this government. That's what we are discussing. And discussing Chief Justice on here buying penny for so you are the one who has distracted the party right now. And so don't come and disrespect the people who are sacrificing their lives for the party, fighting for this party day, afternoon, night. I am hurt by that comment. Very, very hurt by that comment. And yeah, and then I say, and Dr. Mahmoud Bamia, any Christian Council Koshia. Obi, and yes, a few weeks ago, about 3 weeks ago, and a minority friends committee at the report on Mukonya free cocoa farmers, around the country, at the bread of Mahmoud Bamia. So what is he talking about? DM Panoka. Why? Yes, no. Yes, no. Obi, respectfully, people's lives are under threat because of this government. Obi, me no can say. Now by way tata. They would go after everything in your life, but we are all putting everything on the line to put this government on its toes. Because after all, kebi and then yes, you are no more kasa. Into so my finance kasa. Aden embre bia ye benya by way on the back foot omo ye niama embo mine ye beka wasem no. He would have to throw something in. Why?
Yes, enti miracle sabwaji nsema okaya na enya miracle so nkwa na akasa. Brachempon so akasa. Brachempon so say that be Kennedy de wo ye no emfataw. Wanyini wadun pempenso obi enkoma obedi e wo say yen kambo mu de e wo party no. Brian say I respectfully but firmly urge Kennedy Agyapong to lower the temperature and to lead his considerable influence to work of healing the party rather than division. And the Brachempon on also bought cat say the Kennedy Agyapong bought canibino. On about Bonten say Kennedy Agyapong must say the Oyano, Oyabroso. You see a bow dimbo, and yet, and as I say, dimbo and Timua at a 2 there and at 2 Pieto 2. Brachempon grow younger than Kennedy, no, about Bonten. I best suggest to say, if possible, and Kennedy Agyapong should tone down his tone on the party. As Obeka Sampona, onka sema, Eddie Nkoswo, Nkabom, ewa party. Na, hey, asemo. Akwabi as a friend, Kwasi Kwate, also a Kasama for the Kennedy Agyapong, and net Jadani Chim. Oba Bontin so Oba be defend Kennedy. Ono so ba ye no ne nsem oka ye no afempo na ama amanfo ebuafu enti asema the spokesperson for Kennedy Agyapong de beto abonten ewia ne atie Miracle Sabwaje ne nsem oka ye after this guy, what is the name, Kwasi Kwaten eba abonten so be defend Kennedy Agyapong enti emra sisia.
I mean, you know, sir, it's the obvious. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong Ekasa Enra in an interview, I think on the 2 TV. Now, in some more kind, generate a whole conversation on social media. I mean, listening to him personally, yes, only na yejuma closely. Utie in some more kind rana. Were you surprised yourself?
It will be the It's a lawyer. You always structure question. I told you who I told maybe I did free. I said, where you surprise yourself? Oh, be my main free her. Can he deeply invested party man?
Okay.
Will be a ordinary car and then a holding and then a common in our boa party. And immediate be a beefy kenna and loom abba, whether expressly or by conduct, will be immediate. We would say, na dream poet church, and yet say, or the best party, and also the better party. So when you may, I will share a small kind for me, and yet my TT commentaries in Libya is not really an issue of Ken versus the party.
Okay.
But for me, it has more to do with how party, manage disagreements and concerns at one moment members be at the I mean, we'll be lying to ourselves if you can share who say after a very tense contest, to be here an aspect of reconciliation and true dispute resolution. And you go on who say be a reconciliation, and call properly. You get somebody like Ken, you will see say he will be expressing those concerns. You will be an ordinary person to what it may come out and be at the panel has been frustrated or not. But remember one scenario. So, year to Abano. Remember me the year 2001. So I name feel working. Which has any you. Or hospital. Now we're praised beginning praised before Empire Bobby. And a Empire Bonase, a PF hospital premises. All almost a painful be a day, a cash. And I rush and back to the hospital. No more admission. And dear Quajabo, and Yanni and a frame. The banner so called also any a pie, the banner in the tone and chain. And about 29 years then, and on OBC. If you begin to say, and now presidential prime minister Koye in any power moody video see also. I can't say, the mammy we see in a sackoko. This is to me, make a question. Let me come you. And I felt so hurt. Now, me kwesi as just an ordinary spokesperson, and how and some meteo masum and men come and no my broso. Now, me share the multiple of attacks and insults a Koyu in the Agyapong so now. Now, me going to say, she will be biane and come of crime and say, look into each other's faces and forgive each other. One here, I better say that. So for me, what happened with Ken's comment offers an opportunity for reflection and not a declaration for war. So for me, the important question will be say lessons bay and a party. Strong parties are built on reconciliation and proper dispute mechanisms. Strong parties, they are not built without disagreement. When they are disagreements and the concerns they are but when those concerns are raised, a DNA are and for me, there a course within this one. They say, "Kenaka, is you a free Rebecca? You see, she answer Rebecca. We know. If you ask me, Agyapong, it's just an opportunity, an invitation for all of us to then look at our reconciliation mechanisms, look at our dispute resolution mechanisms. Obi. Afanka,
that's true.
And your proponent in one NDC. So why do we have prolonged conflict that do not benefit us, and we are all playing the ostrich games as if everything is well? Let's be very honest to ourselves. Own up to responsibility. And no more a year, Dr. Baomiamono, it be in trade. And no more almost come here again, it be in trade. It is so big to be nature and as a probably or what. If you ask me, is an invitation for all of us to sit down. Then come a patch on tray and then use us as an opportunity to strengthen the unity. Then prepare a year ahead of the 2028 elections. Now go ahead. Oh, uniform and Kobebia. Oh, or Casado. At the end of the day, who does it benefit? Can you nipa? What me boss no? As I said, you and maybe be obey a big general. I can't crash and say, papa. So now would say a fan to be and maybe be almost be a papa. But how do we build a consensus in moments like this? And I trust Dr. Baumier's leadership. Say they should take this as an opportunity
and a moment to reflect and build through and proper reconciliation so that we'll be able to achieve the unity that we want.
Yes, and Tikana Japan Kasama for Nchechimo de Baye nie say ofili say Kennedy Japan the all kind because of Yawa Odie, but I say they are saying two different things. Ken see oni yaw, but Papa will also ken ewo yaw die menam nsema ye can find home during the campaign. And then obi so be can say, but you also you spoke. Moso mo kan nsema na mu edru mu didi atema kese o kan nsema ye nka for Dr. Bomiane na yere ho. Muka yama bi beto ye mubi no mpo a ye wabrochire. And what is this? Is it hypocrisy at the highest level? Yes, it is. Because kwanya ofa so o kasati nipa no sa na obi nso be kasati a eye kana menka. Mo na moma ye call that challenge. Mo na moma ensem no koye say we aka na we aka because you started insulting. In 2023, you did the same thing. And a mudi atema na amamfo ja amama de fa mo hodi. This time motobo na aboban na asen aba mo so amose monte ase. It is normal. Udi obi atema, somebody will reply you. It is not possible. So obedi atem na wunya reply. But kwasi kwa atensi o defending the boss. Anil kropo na ama Dennis Milakos Abuaje nso no wadwa to the highest level. Enti asema Miracles Abuaje nso kafa asema kwasi kwa atembe kan ye no.
This should rather call for sober reflection, and maybe the party should look inward and see how best our reconciliation efforts now because people are not happy about Nyome Koso in times past. You have to heal, and where should be that point of reference for you to heal. Oje Tumusa.
In fact, many questions join you, and I'm saying, simple.
Okay.
Now to say I'm disappointed is an understatement.
Oh, why should you be disappointed?
I am not going to comment on the audio I say.
Okay.
And then some
Semper FM.
Era Canada Point. I won't comment on it. Question again the spokesperson. The typical no cast on question for the church. And to question church more fine. The concern they say and seminar Honorable Canada Point and yeah hope na get to question the fact. And so for him to spend all this time ostensibly trying to justify the commentary is unfortunate. Because maybe MPP I don't know. But maybe it's only question and Honorable Ken that are in that mood. I don't think the party for no are in the mood now because Obi, you are aware that in the past few months the party and its members have been very busy reorganizing from the base. Last week, in a party for the quiet line, a Kotoaba, electoral coordinators, police station, electoral coordinators, a lot of party people, campaign teams made up of police station executives. They are moving around within their constituencies, campaigning to be elected as constituency officers. They have been busy. Party for them have been busy. Every MPP member are running elections. I've joined the party for all these years. I'll tell you, say, MPP is not known to be like this. And see, wow, poster, we have to begin to have conversations around you and not say party for them. Political party. I read political science at Legon, and the fundamental principle in political party formation is that one or two people agree on one or two issues based on which they will come together to form a party. They didn't say they will agree on every issue. In a political party, the expectation is not say you be agree on assembly baby you together. Then we beje assemble ko ana mienu bia jitum say we the and this assembly are doing. And that is what we rally around. And once we rally around sa agreement, every other issue that comes in the way of that particular thing we agree to, is secondary, tertiary. We push it aside and focus on what we agree to. It is a question said, and a party for and a way. It's not true. It cannot be correct. Obi, what is on the ground is that the party, your police station elections, and Berwafo and Kokra in Mantier are a line 1 hour, 2 hours ahead of the elections committee arriving at the police station to participate in the process. You cannot call this to be a party for no. And this commentary has been running for months. In fact, you run this commentary throughout the primaries. Yeah. The party has moved on. The party understands that we still would have disagreement on other issues. It has been like that since formation of the MPP. However, we agree on one. That is, the MPP is a superior political party, a better alternative for the people of this country than the NDC. And so we must win power in 2028. Inti once ye nyina ya agree on e ho no bia ka bia ye nhwe biem. If after close to 6 months atu abewie na say member ba consign e kasa e kwanya yura kan Agyapong fa so kasa na me I don't want to comment on it. Kwesi na kasa ma no nti kwesi na cheche, but I don't expect kwesi say obeba be cheche mu akwanya fa so cheche o men drop party for ni na anko we. Obi, there's no banter on this matter. Party for NPP for are not bantering. Nipa ba kope MPP ni ba kope and wakoka say more radio so. It shouldn't create an impression say MPP for banter kontoka. What to say Obi eyi the honorable Agyapong kanano. David. So I would expect to say Nkatama Kwesika and a reconciliation and we should do this. Who is he really addressing? Because Obi Anka hey party for Obi Anko here. Into Kwesika sana why no addressing? Party penny ba kuna beka asemo ye nyina ejitum sa asemo no. It brings the name of the party into disrepute, threatening the party, basically blackmailing the party. That is what I thought say he would come and address. When come here expect sanga kosi waka say Obi asemo ye beka ni fi ye beka ni dem ntino ye nyana echi ye beka waso. But for him to try and draw everybody in and attempt to draw the party into the competition, I find it most unfortunate.
But would you also say, and you honestly believe in your heart of hearts, there are no party members now flowing from what happened in the presidential primaries? No, our more menasepoka krebi Honorable Ken probably echo what some members of the party feel. And
I would never say that. There has never been a time in the life of any political party in the world. Party will be any menace. Mami example bako. Take any first world country. Party via Baba. A friend is the NDC or moving elections. They rub it in our faces. Did they go into the elections? All of them agreeing to everything. Didn't you see the default letter that he wrote to withdraw from the presidential primaries of the NDC? Okay, Fonka games.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, elections 2016. Okay, situation here. Bepemune, the no can say Bepemune, and you afraid that party members in Pedophobia they were suspended or more try to member back to come and run and contest for elections. It will be. There has never been a time, never in the life of any political party, not MPP, not NDC, not the Democratic Party, not the Republican Party, not the Labour, not the Conservative. There has never been a time. I am a student of politics, a student of political science. There is never a time in the life of a political party where everybody agrees with everything. Many can say, as I speak to you, say your polling station executives as far as or more concerns about choir. Omo fast wa ebi omo luso omo polling station elections. Obi omo nyina mbra radio so mekata. Omo nyina nko TV so nko kasa. That is what we are talking about. Until nobody should try and draw the MPP into this. Una wakoye wa dia at party ndi abo so me no ka say ene. Why are we discussing MPP? When was the last time I was discussing MPP? Kamia Kwako to say, and be a party, maybe see Kwan Paso. I need this for this year. That is what we are trying to address. Then I'm coming to say, I call about the first or the car segment here. That's what you in Adam. This is not an MPP matter. This is a member of an MP of the MPP that is running the name of the party into disrepute.
Because our menacepo our concerns about how as a party for any be and America or you better or you say any other. It's clear say reconciliation no and ye papa and that's what Kwesi Kwarteng is calling on party leadership no
to do. Yeah, obi me kra me yaketwa kraketwa miracles esukongoma to send me party mu me yakra kra obi send me concerns for party which I have. Why not me many concerns? Some more concerns. Don't you think I also have concerns with some conduct of other members of the party? I'm sure some common and comfort for us one kebe. But almost about the radios. Obi me to what is my complaining about MPP radios? But you don't think I have concerns? I also have concerns. That is what I'm telling you. Say there are millions of other party people who all have concerns. The difference between them and this situation is that none of them are on radio and TV threatening the party, blackmailing the party, and drawing the name of the party into disrepute. Okay, that is a fact. And nobody should use issue of for consent. Who said say political party made up of million people or anybody at the same time? But that common goal is what rallies all of us together. That common goal of winning 2028. And it's how your party, that's our goal doesn't draw you towards the flag of the party there. Then you are the one that needs to be addressed, and not the MPP and reconciliation. What is reconciliation? Reconciliation doesn't mean that they are coming on you. But me just to say, baby, you do the minja baby Anton Chani. Now, still, I want to mean do position. To make us say minja baby Anton Chani. Then we have a problem. That is what we want to address.
Yeah,
to the extent that 6 months after elections, Obia did not come out to change. They want to be for the end to change. That is a worry. Obi, we cannot pretend about this matter.
Yeah, because ordinary the China will not just happen in a vacuum. It should be within a particular context. I was you can say I was a casa cost, I was a meetings.
There are systems in the party. Processes in the party. Let me tell you, no leader of the MPP has been as reconciliatory as Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. For blackmailing Bawumia, sir. Can't be known yet. It's an aspirant or running a contest. So, the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, including even senior members, openly, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia plainly, even at the displeasure of party members. There are some people that Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia come with your party was now where they are. Yempesa obeko we kaso kaseti ya utumi na kukudro kono why na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nko nifie one of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nko nifie nka say yenje bibi anto nchen ni pursue the common goal for the elephants including honorable Kennedy Agyapong it biem na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ye. At what point would this end? At what point would we say enough is enough? Obi, it is not normal for a party member to come on radio and threaten the party and say some we are make good party no also is all drawn into the other person maker. So I just say make good party no, make say party no. You don't do that to a political party. You are threatening the party. Obi, people lay down their lives for this party. And you nipa back home. You could young call obi me say me ya call at least 23 years of my life. I've dedicated it to this party. 23 years. Me say you. 23 years of my life, I've dedicated it to this party. Obi, call online, call Google, call Facebook, call Twitter. Now, question: when you did not tell nipa, you put a nipa 5 a bio matem or party from the NDC side. But I am not on radio complaining about what I feel. Me personally, I feel say the party should have done and that the party should do. No, it was not about my personal view. It's about the collective agreement of the party. Say the Ebeko. I may disagree, but I have to follow. Even if I have concerns, there are internal mechanisms. Our party, at the total coin, we say, more concerns, it doesn't include blackmailing the party and threatening the party on radio. And it's a question should not come on air to justify this. It is very unfortunate. I am ashamed. I'm embarrassed.
No, but Kwesi,
by what I heard.
I don't think Kwesi justified it, did he? Because what I heard him say, is
in some way, you know, audio, that's what happened.
Yes.
So over radio, so now because there are legitimate concerns. We need to do this. There are party people. The party should not brush it aside. You are justifying it. You see, the point is that you have concerns. Everybody does, including even Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, who is the flag bearer. including the General Secretary, Koduya. Everybody has concerns because as individuals, we have different understanding of issues. But that is why the party has system to aggregate views and take decisions. It is aggregated views, near take a decision. Now you follow. It's not the same party now. You cannot have justification for it. I don't want our concerns.
Yes, that means Kennedy Agyapong should find a better manner to address his concern because you know, during the campaign time, or because some editiano or no ankasa so can some editia a man for pa. Now, when you know, some can pa, why is Kennedy Agyapong doing this to himself? And then Abuja, and this for no so sorry. Almost the can no aza on person becheno. We both video we are no beautiful lives na to. E ma kire ma dwen. Oso we are now so watch our dwen afa ho. Enti video we see ma beautiful lives na to.
Nyama we on so no so contract nyama bebre on so de man na wa anya ntino. Se bibio be on the wo fa we no. Eti anu no sa nyama we on so no so contract nyama bebre on so de man na wa anya ntino. Se bibio be on the wo fa we no Afari Hospital no when do car no or bibia or you bibia and this for next so maso no na yira for motototo you ska kwakodi on one get kaketwa and niam contract akọ no nya de ketwa eti mama mo ngege ne so so be sign people na be say we wono onye ni papa bia no
ye betwe na akọ yoku
na bibi no
court sembe be
no
sa na ya
consider say they said o ye die asa me boa me nuamo June July meba adwuma mebe mba ya boa that is no bo that is no bo onye ni pa bia asa mu gigi ne so ekwa bia de oye bia so no so ko gira mra nim no mu fa ne ko gira ho near you people as I support those cause on there sa ko ehunu so enipa boni ni number 1 etonye obi a ese waba ba o ya ni people ye ni so mutimi ma ada kan hu do base obo for base mo Ghana ni bia ni da research ko agenda ko so enhihye pa ko so no na kan individual de o mu sabeka apart from no bibia ko so ye etinya wo Kennedy Agyapong na bebe kan ho ada na nka ba ko no na no de lucia no nka ho wo ka ho de na de ba mu wonti me hu etima mamu ngegi sa akwa we so nye obia wo pe no pe sympathy FNDC wonti no obo sa atwene we no e bad drum no obo mu no tima man this for ngegi e ba NDC for no bia de start na no move so manya ni papa de aba fie wo ba beto mo na wo fie akwa onye papa bia
and we so air from the NDC camp and ye izo ken de ho ato ase babusia mabie phone lines na to go so to me friend na wa kire wa dwen kama Mimia Amadu Bena Suleiman Mechiao Adinka Mechiao Mami Ama Mechiao Yepa Adebie Ando Mechiao Prophet Kwesi Steven Mechiao Adai Mununkum Mechiao and Sami Jasi from Hamburg Mechiao Wilson Mechiao Nsu Yepa Ansura Mami Afrim Poma Mechiao Mimi Ivan Sankama Mechiao Pa Ata Buame Mechiao Adinka Mechiao ena sapon sachi wonso mechiare kedunsi amechiao chachi for me ame estake bari ma mechiao so amechiachi for mo abanyina abie phone last na tumutumi from me kwasi asamo amechiao ye ba me ama mechiao miwia stagana mechiao nso ye pa ma me monica mechiao ma me ama amanya akọ ma me mechiao nso ye pa busi abie phone last na tumutumi frɛ na wonso wachia wadwen phone last no ena eda screen no so a etwa no ho no ofra na ya mo akwanya na won so no wa kire wadwen yes ma me say obetumi afre because no one is calling to betumi afre why ambre wom ofra na waka wa say because no one is calling etu mo senti be asema ndisi fo no ka they are saying the truth
eti anu no sa niam we on so no so contract niam bebre on so de man na wa anya ntino se bibio be on de wo fa we no Afari Hospital no when do car no or bibia or you bibia and this for next si o mo aso no ne yira for motototo you ska kwakodi on honje ska ketwa and niam contract akọ no nya de ketwa eti mama mo ngege ne so so be sign people na be say we wono onye ni papa bia no
ye betwe na akọ yoku
na bibi no
court sembe be sa na ya consider
say they said o ye die asa me boa me nuamo June July meba adwuma mebe mba be ya boa that is no bo
gimmicks.
Onye nipa bi asa mu gigi ne so. Ekwa bi ade oye bi asa onu so ko gira mra nim no. Mu fa ne ko gira ho. Ne you people as I support those cause there. Sa ko ehunu so nipa boni ni number 1. Etonye obi a ese waba ba omi ya people ye nim so mutimi ma. Ada kan wudu base do bon for base mo. Ghana ni bia nim da research ko agenda ko so. Ehihye pa ko so no. Na kan individual de omunsa beka. Apart from no bibia ko so ye. Etinya wo kan
Pacho, my money coming to come.
Hello, Black.
My mate is saying.
What is that?
Pacho, you know so.
It's what do more, Papa. Uncle, I don't know what to say.
Obia hoye pa. Obia hoye.
Uncle, I don't know what to say.
Monsieur Obia hoye.
Okay. I am Ryan Samson.
Ye tio.
And then I will be a better. But it was a boy of the Then I call it a poor white dress here. Hey! And then can I get a poor my age I have for TikTok on it. Can I get a voice and send me in the make me?
Ye tio pa.
Or say next year, July.
Yeah.
About my showdown.
Yes.
Theatre. Now, I quite know
wow.
Quite know what. Cameraman quad, you will be our family.
Tentem.
I'm out for this out, you will be our lecture. This is the MPP crowd. Or be our work, Lama Sofu phone in our work. MPP need piano, MPP need but piano work. This is Justin Kodia. This is Justin Kodia. Because on the sponsor, Emma Bedi Sakodia, 18 on to me can I say. I never acquire a problem, and mammy, a Justin Kodia. Because Aqua where I said I had letter, mammy. Yet, nothing more, no one can send letter, so well, if you platinum. Because I know you're not just a platinum, but you more. Already, how now one can solve it higher and over higher. I don't know if it's him. Met him, they met a tail. So what I say?
Yeah.
The gentleman to say, and my bread and my quack said 2024. Because the baby bread compare, yeah, I need to through the a radiation when you are. I'm waiting what you are. Any question regiment lose something really vote on the air. That means so dangerous. Said the blood now walk on. Secondly, the focus of the poor and so you're very careful. Because why you be paying? Or bet to me, I yet. I didn't say a chain. I'm a sad DNC. I have to platinum. They have a 12 Justin Kodia. So, sign for secretary. Ade. They have just a name. China would to me and near method in my friend. I'm a sebi. You need pop Jimmy here. I'm a Ade. That means I brought the brown blue. I am what? Chama want to be brown, blame you as a one. And before you your moon and low fashion. And then dear no penny we are saying. Calendar Agyapong. Now, give a way and she and the cancer. That's because I'm out for not some of the kind of things we are Whoa, about the cafe. Omo class and you walk on the Agyapong. Na baomia de yiya ni mwa baomia ye onye ni paba opo sema kana de Japan kabu baomia so e ma di lusu ya eye niema nyina kana baomia se ya to aba wi ya to awie wa tutu ni nan akofie onye ni paba wo kwa ni yiya yo ya because of bitterness o kwa ni yiya eyo ya Kwano ye nipa kana de Japan. Ade, je na wo peni wiase. Oye won stand bebreba ye bu. Kale di tunu boase o. Ewiase enna hokwa. Na on class no sha. On shamla eni pabu ni wiase no. On shamla ototo na ni nyambuye. Ewiase ye de bekohi. The friend in the one you be ne at the mark and the Agyapong. And I think I'll put you none be. And here we are circle. So Rasta, and not make a secret. Can I be Agyapong? Can I be Agyapong? Ever told me MPP.
Wow.
What's that like a Okasa or send me on the bar now one day cry. And so, and then send me binti. And then send me here ninti. Majuma my MPP in a swakata. And in the mission MPP say, I'll be Casa gra, or if you can then I'll be Nibia no diatama. Na ye me ya. Ye here nipa. The my ya boa petty way. And so me back for free education. Men na MPP ni penny to be a casa now me back yes put in a management. In many other secretary. Oh, Piano want the MPP so profit one. Me am to South Africa. MPP back power na me to South Africa. Me need 1 cent in free MPP. And so shall coding secret politics and nipa Shaniama ye ni suma fe. And the boa pet. Aden. Yet the bomb and we are sitting the one wall. Yet the bomb and we are sitting so many people. Now, according to Bible, or say, Diaka and Pumayano, and you was any from Canada for Agyapong Yodi. Petina yo dear. Petino, a yo dear. Can't hear petting in and swallow. I am cutting for flow. Simple. A dear will pen can't hear from mouth. I said, a dear ye be second day that for uncut here for man. Afra in your Sembiaka. You got me near Bema Baomiano. Me name a dear Bonnie Kura Baomia, a dear ye Canadian Agyapong. Tell you may Rasta, may follow on your so, may follow up so, may forget to be a member, editor to our fat, say I'm cooking a Agyapong. I bet I did cry near Bema Baomia. Adia yellow, but they call the me adia and this friend, a person is a jump one. A person is a show and be Pierre to your day. And Jack, not jamming me anything, or mammy me any one talk. Now, your day, and some four, as I see 4, and so many pa, a junior baby. Toy don't know any of the number. To be anywhere. But me lose soon, never say a 2 man beam, because it's over one plate, because it's over in nearby. If you can get Agyapong, the other is a soldier bitter. Now, what's my bed? Last time, Yamisha, what?
Oshira also mama na onka ho. Me da so bebre. Ya mama Monica e na yete nka. Yes. Atiefo no do so kakra intimesa wo menye ne ntentem se bi obia ebetumi akasa. Yes, your course kakra wo akire. Ye fan scholar. Hello mama, it is saying.
Ewurade adom na wo so.
Nyankopon adom ahodren wo ho.
Yes. Me pa ucho mi chia obiara.
Atiefo nyina.
Asem orokodo wo MPP na Ken wontem na oye hawo. Na damansem yara ncho wo de daado wo to abewie na wo tena ase na wo fre won nyina tenefo. Na nche wo hwe asem wo na mgidi de doctors wa akọ obiara ne fie nyina akakasa. Embe na wo edu Ken wonyi refiri rekoso. When you are rekoso damendamendeme nyina wo de tugu. Owo ka bi obi. Obi so ka bi chiro. Enti nche mo nyina mo awie na obi ala etwa. Na wo de still mo waka chiro obi ala owo ni tim. Na wo ma ka chiro obi no no owo adwene ho. o sabi wo campo wo chiche wa fa wo yina nka wo hwe me esi me ka kire Samaria o wo da twa do so wo nyina wo so da asem be hwe wo mu a me esi me kikai o wo me da chi difo na wo ye yawo eti da ba umia we bue na no wa ya wa na wa ya eso wo bue wa no ya o papa yi hwe last minute mpo me be kai we la me ti da na wo bi ka kire do da ma asem no mpo yakwa wokwa kumasen yaba wumia na okan owo bra wo baka kire wo de the masam na ejina do mare bon lion no na okan e ba bua no baka do omi nua mo pa ucho na mama ti de wo so wo na kan sa me kwhwe do wo so wo etu me baka
wan ka hwe
so we etu ma baka so one ugu bia re kan wo ka kire de the masam na wo ka wo obi no won enyo no na okan na mbom support bi follower bi na okan nsancho wo so ti ni poncha wala so prabo ano da baka che de munua mesro wo ma meka de na ebua na wo bi wo de hye wo na wo meka che nkrofo nyina so wo begina do asancho wo so re nyeye hweda ma akọ thank you to wo se ba de wo aboye ne ho ena aka se wie na oreka de awantan na akaskasa na wo party no ma wo beda eso re gina eso yo hie nti oyo hie nti mo akasa nti party da mo party no wo no obi o wo do nyi scan wa adwan the masam na kan mpanka ni ye that means say yafu na wo na wada ho mo wo scan wo tete award me je de do obi ba pra obi bo konso obi bo soja obi ba yedam na ni na aka bom na ye party nti mo record no wo da wo twa do na mpemfu wo so gina do na wo kasa kire no so wo bibi we wo da say NDC funu so wa sorry dey nda mo ye nti no repacha mo mfa ne nko eti won sakro show bi ne do anane hwewodo nti ona la so o hwe na nam oye ne mpemfu o party no so won tena ase na won hwe ma asam ne nka na nipa misa boma obuma ombu yi kro bobu tena wakada misa kukufi obu anye ye kro di yi bobu na won tena ase na won hwe asam ne wonka na okwakuku ate na ebeke wala so esi wa aka ma amene de akada o ma amene ka wa nka akoto so da o papa teka o wala so edine chi nsam funa wala so keka e wodo o wakatwo ma amene de ba na o ya damara na ote otua wonya nkwa na otua bi mo kasa akire nyipa mo ndwe no ho da mo kasa akire mo nya nkunyipa na party na mo reye nya to kwa obi na mo roko wodo wo ma amene de emi pomente da da nde ya wara riken wodo wo ya wo so ngina keka nsam on so mfata nyinara wodo ya ya montana sina mo nyina montana sina obi ara mfa ne de ofenguwa na asem ntwado sa do finechi onya abofo watu ewie waye ne dama wontumi pia papa ne nsi nche no wanka do no ombre no mbedi even ato se onye wonpo no wo twa obi a mo di second na bia wo baka da wo de na eba ono mpo menje de wo ba ya na wo baka da wo san kwato obi ono wo yi obi wonsi abota na party ku ye furu kun ne mo mba na montana so bi manja mankoye mampumara na mamo ye ne de oye ho ankasa papa kan wa kuma to ye na rinyini na wonda masuru nyi ewu nda yaba bebre yaba nja jem ma won jem na sabi wala ti wase na reka da ezi president aru o ayampa ezo bibiara renjaw na mom tena ase na dwen wala so apo mi de no ho na jan kike me bebrebe na mayada enyim ochena asem owuraske mada ewura mafo mada se papa nyame nshira
o so ame nyame nka ho abusamfo iguso aye fa course no ai sese yaduru ya maame ya afrim pomaso from Germany antimaso so hwe video nya na wo like na wo subscribe ebeka abusuankuo no ho ai ame ya
hello
ame ya mo akwa
Mr.
mame
ame Joshua
apomo te say
eba chana na me adu abusuan fo te say
bia ho ye wo ha no bia ho ye
radio. Afari say Canada Japan spokesman na. Ya de ne beto apasona ya do so no na ya papa e woni e hu ne kwan.
E kwan wo.
No anti asama be kai na asama ya kwasi kwatin so wan. Asama be kai na asama be pa na wo mu. Efiati ya bofuno. Efiati emi abofuno. When na promise na mo koye. When you so again to cry new opposition na ko within when pana mo ankasa mo again mi ko ni ka no ta chechide woni obofo wo mudi mafa enko obofo na wodi kan ya chechide le di kan obofo na esan se woni 9 1 19 wo da na mo before the farm no etwa homa ebo beda side tetere me ka ho ya ko promise wa yusu eye ti asie bawo mi ko obi afie ni anom ye ni anom ma ye nkamom still kana da mo so wante no wate wo fa ni sha tira na bawo mi afa kana da ko fa ni sha tira na kre da ko atani anu di no apasi ko aten no wete ya na sa wante wo ya na sa wanku why dey ka to ayam pia ba pa kane so yo why dey ka de sa wo di wo ya no ho a kne da ko wo wa pa potra wo pa ye kne da ko awon wa sa pontre ni awo pa ye menti asie esen no ho ya na chese bufu ankasa ele de ya fa na kokoto de
ne bodwe
ya fa na kware na nchire de ne bodwe mu kono na nchire de ye nkono ya wele na manye ye ba wo de onye nipa yeso bi enu de mokoko eye ne ye
yeah
wo bi enu be de mokoko eye ne ya sakana ya fani seye obon sawo mi so wo ku yesu nanka ye ne fa ho di anka wo kuno
dabi
enka setan ko atante so ba na ya bo yesu atemiem e ma ka me di boye ni me na me fa ho di anka wonye na kana Japan emre bi e twa mo no na ko president ye ni so obedu state bi obeba be person obeba be di MPP aniwa enka ne ma fu mi o ba anka wanye ensemble wanka wane wankeka papa pani mo want to sabi kan Japan to me na nwene nka se some ya me kan di eni kwa se free man no ba asabu free kan Japan no mo ba chan sabi mpre asa ya ni so moa eche so akwa ya ni so akoja ne nan aden kan Japan ya bro okwa na bi MPP ba kwa heaven see I so why see I so and my important kind and then ya bro can dey Japan ya bro we no dey base for we search and we yes am for we no wa nyaduma we ni awa ku sin nyaduma we ni tell us about sin nyaduma e we ni abranya wa ye ko mo nya free party in Canada Japan na kwa vote yes we no dey base am we 10% to the say no and now na free party ni ma party na bebu why and now we na muka wa eye ye ni na bwa ye ho na so so ma bo ko hwe epopa wan kade asimi dweso Canada Japan see how people for see dweso why na ya wia na cha wa na so nyame na hwe nipo ne nipa na hwe eyi nyame enipa tu ne hwe nyame ye ni na ye da nyame na hwe nipa nyame na ka se mpu na epu a da Canada Japan ene na abutra wate ni na sabi mpediasa ye twomba we nye twomba adan wo dey afipi ni what true from inside of say we tackle this for no you can say ya about wo mu ye ko fe dan na say nso nyina dan gota nso nyina dan ntwoma ya fa fi nyina sai e ko fa ye ntumi ntua ye ka na se fa ye ntua ye ka teachers ye ntua ye ka and then they want to be fighting. We selfish interest. I want to hear music. Amaje. Yeah, we find that man. Who's first year do beko yoko? And you find the answer can Japan. Na me admire do beko. Why? So we say na me admire can Japan ya do beko. And then ya bro. Can ya Japan ya bro. And we go say antuma no. Ni ya ka tire plan PPP empebiem. Ya empebiem. And if you try to see an amosi ya, and you go to man never free. So I day that be no be anymore. Say no opponent Nebeka Yabaka Sana. No one they all attack our party. Canada into all parties of the party no. And then they want to run with you. What's all not party because we are all dressing place can say party need your own free. Who so who free mu ya to ama who free mu na mo ba tete ya to that bank am ya fear trauma wo tete ya to that bank am Canada Japan ofu ya de o ba ni yehu o traga na you wan ma o traga ne kakraka eno ya bia wo be gina ho eno wa ba be na investment wo wa ba mo do die nyina akokon emre do mo nsa eyi enkan ko nyina wa betutu awie nti na pipi ya se da na Canada Japan when we are na say edin yo so when we party na ya ken na say edin no fi won ya bia ni enkampro wate o fi won ya bia ni enkampro fi won so na edin na adwane adan Canada Japan ya brawo papa o wura kan ya brawo adan won ka papa fa wo party ho Abraham mama no wo tanfo nyina no na de ba ne sai ena ne na kwa na ankra na woni na dakata ba akoso sori woni na dasmiye ba akoso dwane ya do boko yoko nti ye nyini ya kare Japan ya nsra kwati ya wate na ne so wo di asante achimbogufuo no wo mu di ya eyi kwasiampa ni ba akono eja ko no ya ka ya timi eni o mu free party ni eni Bible say we fa ba ko betu sinti dia na wontumi nkosora ye memu a takini shawo sano nokwa ya ba so we de basasi ni be kosora ye memu eta say we nsam ye no na de be ko bo nsam dem Japan ya brawate MPP for ya say ya braw aden Baby, I'm a youth first, not Ghana first. We youth first, Ghana first. Me. Then I know we do with Sika. We contract with Sika. We deny you to be. Now in Ghana first to be. Now in Ghana first to be. Now in Ghana first. Now in you to be. Every people are to show my why in the Japan. Now, I we see what by you. What comes why you be? I then can. We are papa and 66 years. Then I said, like Jenna. Me ya yon kwa brewa o so ya me yon kwa kokora what it and they came transfer gene na say we ya panimu ake ya do tna fie na kankola bibi chire ya so anake ya bebi sawo ka bibi chire kola ne so aye mom na ka wasa kola ne bebi saye na ye mom na ya hufi ya kwa ya kontoma e be da ma ya kola ya nananom eni ya manu matumi abaye ntan ya bebi saye atumsam Can Japan Jenny? One will be too far. What got to so be to the buff for Ken? For Cognac, so let's see a foot to any benefable to man what it. So go to Musu Afashe, what it. Right, I mean, my wife, Mr. Mafo.
Bye. Yama me ya from Pomana Yatinka. I was second, Shasena on Minakakra. Na yen seminar near Canabontain. Yemia Evans and Kamaso etaya chile, and to my 5 Evans. You Evans and near called the firebrand. I'm my master, Bobo home. Hello, Evans. Hey, Jack, near never Kusia Pieria.
Yeah, people there, they was there, I will remember when I was lamenting, and Bajo,
oh, Yanko Palado Mahodro.
This is my mother, Yakoto, Manuia, Dr. Winnie. Now, my mother may technically Master Dino, Manafi, almost out to a constituency in this another may follow boys and Fiene, you know. I be the one background, I say, you begin for Papa. Or move it me, yeah, Mano, Abwa, Dr. Celebea 2028. You couldn't be no bebum. It is an old man, yeah, was why any number I send an Obisako, your constituencies name, other places, if you say, you bet me, I support one. Now, most of the more, yeah, yeah. Ade a yedwene emma yedi bibi eye bibi ma bibi eye bibi ma nipa dodo no nya ho faso na ndisi fo mo lake edi ade a mutimi dinya ga na fo mo consensus na ne se mahama so ama yate ase se ye wo yare refre na ga na fo so se bi yadwene edi se o ma no ayi do ko sika gro na office wa bo na life nyina eno na ma MPP ni NDC ni difference wo no edi se obi wo NDC and as obi one PP na say NDC ni start so hunyansa na or towards MPP who say they have the future and ukoko bia mu a nipa na mabọ mmọde adwuma ko school ara say umadwuma bi ye wa brabom no ndodo na no ya na omo affiliation with MPP
yeah
so what system proper and business on your dominance for NDC na amabo no ma dwuma ma bie kakra ma ko school pa ko ani mu nya se bi o ma ko school am person de ko ya kakada but one ko school ko ni mo nim say yet me turn things around yet think as a possibilities impossibility can be possibility no most of them ya na almost outside with MPP eti ama MPP na kasa obi ko die kire because of say no obenya she de buto mo ko it is this start say or think negative about Ghana and that's what think negative about or no kasa laugh now automatically or treat towards NDC so who say obi odi yaw pa I say jealous woni mu pa now I started thinking like NDC because the genesis of NDC party ni nyina no I started from 1992 I started from their founder who is Jerry John Rawlings is kunipa o Ghana because of say obi di 50,000 Ghana cedi
ahoya pa
obi asidayasi a authority mienu woni fie jeje chese jeje ka se obema hia ni skani ayepe na se kanye jeje ni NDC for mentality na ka wi ase anom no minim se sa ohia ni skani timi yepe eye de na skani ni hia ni timi yepe without going to without doing something that will make you to become like a person minu mafo wo se se me pese me no yepe ebia in blogging de be na se me ye enu kwa se mi sua ne wo sua no na matimi abese wo na
yes o se unsua kura ntwa me de masua
very good na say nto no. Because you can't talk like una creative as and from can the Japan ho me a odi kasa say see ya wo kira say 2027 na odi we be ba odi be ba no o da na so kira o asem ni ka otiri mo ken and it say akura say bio one him the left to right that was so a seasoned politician now even the Japan no you miss the question say what parliament for 24 good years that now who no me for parliament proceedings I mean Mafo we will be also share the power that then also can the Japan platform our pastor or debate in any about Ghana
and to kwankwa no ko
this is what we do be at na was like them and now have no cannot me boss apart from say can the Japan come to parliament no me who the Japan ever since can the Japan call parliament 2006 to 2020 one copium 2024 one copium can the Japan have never make any argument in parliament now when you say can the Japan can say Akuba be ministerial position when you say
okay
but can the Japan cannot take any ministerial position because can the Japan when they were born in the first place and then the born for problem you provide the international now me be can the Japan question say what look at the Japan pastor or trapper be no what that or any name there one team or any some who okay now then who compare also be one Dr. Baumia complete position the classmate in Dr. Baumia say on complete the Diana say yes be a politics na because of another politics na kwa say e sika o sika you can become a politician and no be na ya hu achim konango no for one achim no for achim south o ko ya correction no ko ya sika fun no de ba no ma betua tia de ma delegates no ma tia de ma for kwasia for bi ma say bi on person be bre no ma didi no ma di no ma ko ni aba e no be na ya kwachi MP Holland na san ya yi south ba tanta woni ya ya kwase ampanyi bi kwa bokoro na ko ton nu bone na benye sika be kaso ba be diga na so e pass the country have finished
yes
and no be na ehunu tikene che for feel say wo ya correction no nya sika wo di contract no nya sika o inflate contract now ko this government money no benye sika wia automatically on nyasa meanwhile agara say bi okay ya ka say yan fa agani wia sika ogara nka Dr. Baumia will be the most richest man in Ghana. You know the reason why? As Adia yedi what they saying? Yedi 1.5 million a year, you know. And this is also what the 1.2 billion dollars. And you see this one. I mean, because I want you to Ghana Nibian here. I did mobile money interoperability, no. And this is also a bit Maya, a 1.2 billion Maya. Dr. Baumia just used only 4.5 million dollars. It is Dr. Baumia said, okay, on the Onyakofo, but with the agenda and this was set. Okay, let me find 500 million. Can I go $500 million?
Oh, asem na wo kan mu eduru pa. Senka it was right channel. Ade ne ya bohon bo awie dada. I mean tika kran fi so na me fanka nhye me botoma. Nka Ghana for kure be bo ensema ma no.
1.2 billion na e ka wasem. Dr. Baumia would just use 200 million for fanya sap na 1 billion e benya ya. Ghana e ni billionaire o. E ni o billion o Ghana. Omunya de million. And the was some 500,000 cash is in the cash. What is the account? It is a big set of Dr. Baumia all this things. But rather, or think he said, no, Ghana is my country. And I don't want to make Ghana lose this such amount of money. So that Ghana, yeah, baby, what plans on commercial such kind of nice harden. It is Japan. What is he talking about? Now, me can't say, yeah, no, and no, say, Ghana was short memory, but MPP for Japan say, Yam pese bio obi a okasa bahad oye kwase mpanyi so baby MPP party nanu wona se wo bi Ghana wona se Ghana de wona wo ye obi a kankre kana de bo we send the Ghana for se bo na office Ghana for power sem MPP party ye kwase for party na still pese odi kwase for party nanu this time they are tell us say yam prima nsani medi kwase for anim ye be kwase mpanyi na de anim who is Dr. Baumia who is kwase mpanyi ye tia say pen sa akwa be so say mo kino fa by mama like what can the boy in the Ghana for in a don? They will go to party. Not Ghana for to a bama, na in Yambi, Yam Farina Somo. Me better Japan or half boss. But Ken is a coward. Manika wants one thing so. Ken is a coward, say. Who said Taduma MPP bar or opposition 2008, you know? Can the Japan can say 2012 or 2009, 2010 on? Say, or from Koti Pania, you go our phone here before come.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah, Mikai Power.
Mahama can say, Omuchi can Agyapong on treason offense. And look at near people for party Yama until the dim. Then President, former President Kufuor can say, why are you chasing a rabbit with killing a fly with a hammer?
Yeah.
Mahama, because even if it's a bulldozer, you are going to use bulldozer to kill a rabbit or a fly. If you can also a man, make catch up place, open your for power, Bela, Granicas or Bela. Open your for power, I can Japan because they go to me from Japan and come from who catch your plane.
Hey, Asemo. Aja.
Let's go to Japan. Say, so he will not talk anything against me. Okay, fine. You Ghana this year. What are you Ghana?
Power.
I did because you are. How they this from Abono?
Can on one I was saying for some so na president the command.
That's not the also ya. Can I just find that he said to that channel. I didn't be able to people to that because in a service seat in a sanctuary in the first place. And now people are gonna for property and also says they don't have right to talk. We have right to express our grievances and we have right to talk any day, any time. Sana can I Japan something of us say. I'm people person young farm now which they can Japan back to Chacha because okay, they automatically say you to available how can I Japan to beat our leader. There's nothing we're going to do because we are coward. Ken is too coward to say to the sense that Osmo Ibrahim Mahama and then Ibrahim Mahama and the boy can I Japan. You open or catch and say Okoka. Now I find the Demacrum. Can I Japan one year Bema? What will a Bema pa 1,000 Mahama just one day? One person be as a bonus and not in Casa both this no. Okay, because now when you say Okokabia, I've been for Nama. I'm happy that she not to Mama for that 2 weeks sex. Or one time ever. So he can't talk. I'm not going to want to make something that he's the one. Second, the purpose of people want to make us. Can I Japan mom for? Because some of one is because you are afraid of Mahama. You are afraid of common Kevin Taylor. Kevin Taylor pressing your note in Iraqi. What do you have done them or bad event or one slow? Or one cousin Kevin Taylor. It's young people for one. Young Mark and Japan also Mahama and in Ibrahim Mahama. It's not Kevin Taylor. It's not Mahama. I'm a control party, my. It is Canada Japan. Yeah. Near Panifon by your chairman, your secretary, or the executive members. And Dr. Baumia himself. Dr. Baumia, stop begging or talking to Canada Japan. Canada Japan is no use of us. Maybe say it is better say Canada Japan people, but near position 20 years. Now you have the party, power of future. I will love that. Because people are only present for us. But rather you think say common sense now what you want to know so now what did this evil Ghana for why do you say behind the say Ghana for almost all the kind of no question no question we are that once okay in a check background checker then you have to say we are for also say we see now was it quite rubbish now say can is a better we have to do nobody will do reconciliation you can learn was it when so winning. So what is the problem there? What is the problem there? If you know you are going to lose or you are going to win, it's 2 things. When you are going into contest, automatically you can win or you can lose.
Yes.
And if you go to Secretary Japan winning ahead of Dr. Baumia, I'll stop doing campaign or I'll stop doing any politics because I will not say we don't have the right people to leave this country because I just said who are the papa passer are they when they are the papa now and the money. How can you tell me say Obi said Dr. Baumia and just Dr. Baumia ni Mahama ko jina election say atwa ba Mahama. Obi o about on ti ase o ya. And I'm going to say Baumia a footballer player. And I say dia ko ye enka my team top president and some to leaders. Can you have already bought Dr. Baumia long time ago?
Yeah.
because with the whole team no but me again okay now I'm not say impossible but it is possible it is possible because under the Scottish time of this world no possible because nipa na ye bibia ye wo yakopo wiase no nipa na ye bibia wo bia enti say obitim wo adene timi ye Tesla obitim wo adene timi ye aeroplane say obitim wo adene obitim attend things around and that is Dr. Bawumia who make impossibility possible unia impossible for us ura mai
me da se bebre Evans e beti e honka
because ya ma me tanto kana me to ka che
mefro
fantastic minia
me da se Evans yemia Evans ankama kofi e na yete nenka o second de oye no abroso e be yanka ye mpam no ai Kennedy wo di asababo amanfo betwa ball off ma memfa fire mra na yete de eko ma me Esther Kuja me say we video no nya na like video no ma me fa onse si adoma no so na be kan busianko no ho se de be ye ba life bre bia ubenya information si aba no abe support e ha Ras Media GH on YouTube. Mami Esther, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir. How are you?
I'm doing very good. And you?
Okulana ne madam hoye. Yeah, him aba ko.
Obia hoye. Omunyina they are doing very good. Yeah.
The so as na waka san so hoye.
Oh, me hoye pa, me hoye. Yeah.
Yo. E de nyame ase se obi eniema so kire kakra.
Yeah.
Na Canada Japan. Esi ensanye ne den.
Akofa babiem. Osima ye nkam NDC fo asemo. Ye kan NDC
fo asemo. So asem. Mahama buy 15 months ni.
Aye.
Na ye bisan say tam na do buy no di how many months and sana or start ayin to so betumi aye adwuma. Sure. Yon fa no kwanto nche ne yenko akosi kwaten so street.
Okay.
Akosi kwaten. Waso eyemam pamaso. Ye bisaw. Asem na kan begina ho kae no. Ehu emwaye na ode bre media social media phone. Asem na kan begina ho no. Ye ena se enye no susu krampo ehu asem na ade ba ya. Ye san susu opusa wo se. Ken eya obe nkwan wontumi mfanche. Akosi kwate. Me busa wasem ba ko say, do you think say Dr. quite better than him? A dear at 10 years and a mundi Bawumia excellence in the year atom. And some pain and a man phone come for papa with him. But it was so Akosi. One who said what Babon thing, Abe Yanoda. Debbie, Omeya Noda. It is a wound to me comport no one to me, and to me many as some, no one to me that was it reconciliation or money there wasn't that I was about to know and on a way. If Ken doesn't want to accept that people are building the party and they are asking her to people to learn how to forgive. That's a case one just and not a young walk on or make come in. A dear young papa, not a group by any winter banner and people for the tea Canadian Japan. Ye besano. Omo de fane bema ho na omo de se no to. Anti Mr. Mafu ontumi nya eyawa wo die mfanche. Ye bisaw.
Eya bro yawo e na odie.
Ye sanso so busa ne say, wono ensembe no won come for Dr. Who can ya catch so or your true.
Yeah.
Do you think you are the only one who had a blood running through you? I suppose not. And now so future Dr. Laji Mamudu Bawumia, your pan your dream and your yin in the Piana. And none of my in 9 months. Here. Mumma yanka assembling tremo. Say a negenzis no. AI for Kula Nia Brea. Canada Japan. What the ho? Would
be free, your papa for your papa nanado, or your perceive busa said that time nana will collect us a yin in ano. Who can just biana? There be, but the na ye going to know we cross you can't go for the party. We caught blind eyes, yeah, because then the fire day near door. It be piano, we ye piano, near free say, yeah, can. But Ceciano, yes, so why am I day? Abroso. We had enough of you. We had enough of your insult. We have enough of your tantrum. What to say a Caribbean dummy, Ayira? No all screaming tantrum. Ebusani mama say, where is my dummy? Sani say Alan Chamaton to say a crowd on the ball or park. Who woman I be no atam the ball or some the dear walk. But what can dear Alan Chamaton cry for no? We are pathetic. See, I can't win politics gamer. We want to tell you, say, Ken, we are pathetic. Sir, a quaya will fast so we ya adodo dear one people mono. Let's say no what done one marco connect. Let's also the quack ye MPP diama. Ken, ya ready for you. Ya koliki mahama aso. Because the ass will run at time. Yo ho crani ni. Nti yanko leki mahama sam yanko who beg mahama eti MPP for bia ken one akayo wo see e betu o magum because wo na wo sase wo ni alestata ne hu furuba fa preko dem alestata hu furuba fa ayi akokofedie bu mo ana mo sase ne ye ti abronye ene ayi ye kan say MPP for maka meboa ken again I will be achieve you. There was so much now, we are asking you, what would you achieve? Huh? Canada Japan, then I be achieve you. Sa usi yang kuma bronye, ni yang kum ayi wood to me. Any or more makana yet any social media for or mukasama MPP for ayi Mahama say or coordinate so or what day. Mr. Mafo no so what you are the back IP address me boy.
Yes, or week free or bachelor be also he will make everybody feel. Or no bachelor, or my bronya and her bachelor in a pa. Sansona cook council.
Any can yeah catch it out. When you end this, you know, Mupa munye bibia, but Mamin can be being so say, and change a day, nothing. And that there will be a beer, so no be not water chia. As far as omun to me, as far as omun kum abronye, na omubenya wode at national, can you will live to see them. Obatnase no washe. Na me free sabu ye bema. Ukasa kukukukuku. Ka wunya bema wo. Wunya bema ba kukura. Wunya bema. Eka da moment na wo wakuma ye na wo say wo be spilly beans no. That moment na ka so wo de hwe from say poo. Ana me sana for me boa. Na wo try June July next year. And I say MPP for satisfy or you know, best say number one. Ubesa gale and ya gale meboa. We are ready for you. And the Jesus is no so no. Are you ready, ma? Because Sanana na do was na mo kasana na buying you. Anye bia krebi nya free exchange square. Free exchange so no koyen. E bia me kasanu wo nua keto bia na wo mo expect say ka kwar. And then maami ontumi nko entumi mba. Akwara ni nya adwuma sankwa de beboa ne maame a ukoton MPP de mama ama ene ne mahama aba power ene wo jimi no wayi Jesus ni nyina di eti do you think say Jesus no ken omo be ko ama wana ye bisaw wo free say omo be ko ama and now you think say you are more powerful ye bisaw wo nyo bia Wujobia, Wuyobi, at the Mawamwa, or Muyala Sulala, the licking boot for no. Yeah, you licking boot. So when the truth is there, you be face you. Obian wo did you own some, especially diaspora for no. One more did you own some, a bit to Germany in the business US war. Yeah, come. Ye did you own some. Ye pray your mother, ye sweaty. It's some ye new friend yeti. The reason here, ye near Brisa MPP Emla Bagamo. When Nipa now go find a buy and know he's also a president, and then Muhuno Ghana. Muhuno. The spokesperson for no be general council funny we are. Yanti wamu kabi. And now we be releasing new tax. The Amagana for say, Omuntia, no more to Womuniama Fona, Omutumus, Omuntuni supply, and Niama Krona, Omudi tax at Tutum. Petro Ghana for to me talk. In Kania, Ghana for you be them. Your coastal or running coastal, Kania. Yabusamo. Musimo be 24 hours. And this is what Mufi Samunkwana Muwanya, some Kata Munkwana, Muwa Juna Mutumi DBT Ghana for. Every day be a baha ebe catch them say, or more Mutumi de Marjorie, a bit too woman or more Mutua about the mamma. And yet MPP for. And a Muda Ghana phone can you fully be near him fully be, and more Muda or Madrid because of envelope. And now Mudiba money as often I see a tram say, Yan Yadrimunya how. Mimi fanya nkupundin enko preaching kwa jisika enwu mi boto abrano krani dawo na makata so menye umma mi million kwa menye eti this fona muti hona mu koto asofo no na ebisu koto ahemfo no mu ena mahama edi boni ana ken eye boni a womo edi ye de mamo because you people accepted them to come to power. Ayamo ana mo ko fa busuefo we edi womo baaye. Eti ye pese ye kira mo say we care less. Ye fad ye mo be ye ho. Wo ye sofo ye bisaw ene wonya collection say because ene na mo didi ho. Ena mesamafo mami ka secret ba ko bia Ghana fo be brain fa wo mani nko. Oh, some one here say, the conconte be free Ghana, near the Akopia for yes, Ghana is a free back.
Yeah. As some Ethiopia.
TV stations in the businessmen from Mugu Ghana, Onyano. They are involved with cartel. As often it become. So what I say, and this for account. Maybe for allegedly talent to, me for talent to that. I didn't think Mahama kwa buy na hana drugs. Omudiaye a Ghana omudiaye a street land a kodru krobia obiaba omudiaye transit land. Mi busamo. Me samafu. Mi busa Ghana from penny for.
Assemble actually say Mahama Breson kwa Ghana dane a Caucasian report.
Yes. Na and California be brave or money more your business for or Mukanubi. The Katano and cost business for now more Ghana. And nobody is saying anything because what a woman in a hey, Mato radio station, Matutomu near my baby, Munya silent, Namufan near Manonco, Mumma Muncrophone. Now, and a Ghana radio station by the council, Papa for people.
Yeah, silence.
Obey your silent because the owners know what is going on. And will be a dinner motion. Now, me Ghana, me, and not in the million years, I may make team. I to side station with that. A miracle, what Jenny Aquano will see Angel station, Angelo said you want the simple. There you want to say, or see a friend who obvious a day. Asempa. Mami can be being them. See a casa Ghana food be adjoining to send me and I said, Muhammad to me catch them say, more short memory. Share, Obi know what is going on. Obia or your media Libya knows the truth in Ghana. Near Canada, they know the truth. What's here? Na obabue na no aka no kore no he's fanning it the omu balls for that man nantem omu ni bi and they know they won't say it omu chen na niema na say no omu wia no mako blame obi but nyame hwe ye nyina as far that God is watching all of us ye ni bibia ye ka kire mu it is a moment radio no so na mo kwafifa ayi politicians no na mo busabusa wo mo kwhia alas me se papa wo me dem mo fu se politicians no e na mo bada wo mo ye mutumi na ada ye yo because ye nim se mo media for mo nim no kore hwe ayi akoye efe ni dwantoi okojina ni TV station na Mr. Mafo kasa me hwe ne sa me se
kontomponi ba kese
o pesa wa kontompo mu PhD wa bomu degree and such person no nipa to me eto data and I say nipa to me ko bia ni YouTube television and I say ni YouTube I want a mobile phone so say wo hwe kwase ampan ni we eto bia SK ye show na me koso a enema bi ko obokora na me yema sim se nti we wa na kan ye because apart from the meme pa make to you akwa no I don't listen to these mongols because they're full of lies and throw omuma obaka so omuma me wu wo no what in throw milk na de feed wo mo hwe ewiase wo hu se wo sidua emumo koku e wa na betwa oma no wo ba wo adia ba asasi so wo ba no Ghana ho an obanyini onko babiada and as also the whole Europe no to come here no almost some bibia and I'm some who the system na
yakwana very very dangerous very dangerous yeah I know that
eti mama nyama dwene se mu di boni no wokrom wa mu benya ene European country bia ba bese ahide mo ho enie babia enkramofo krom na mu so na mo so mo mpa ba wo mien mo so mo mpa kramoni so baba bedi mo so Arab country ho na ho na mbekọ akoto mo dan me hu Ghana ni a sabita fracho wo ye leader otumi kam sika sa me de koto dan ewo obi ma so just me pokro no fun na me de atoto edan wo bi ma so na makwa akotemi wo ko si broni a wo wie sika ewo bibimam ayi obroni krom abeto dan wo bibimam da jisamu kwa because munni akoma ema wo man no munni odo e de ma wo man nipa na wo odo a wo so wo beje Ghana ahwefu ye ana ma just mu pasa mu se papa ya to saje but ye pese ye kacha mu say this time dear mu buwa Canada Agyapong mu buwa woni wo squad no mu buwa Dr. Mahmoud Baumia obeba because emebru ni hia no Jesus no omu hia no AI for kola no ehia no Baumia manifesto awode baaye awoso obeye kodi some judge tie wa ye the food twetwe say ayi kukuru bini and wo twi America and wo koso laptop and laptop no nye dey enso no Someone a capapa we move plain or buy ya a cane in Ghana and move forward. Kagana move Musamu Pajuma hospital so no so or Ghana. Mu Pajuma or go one papa was mumfa aganda 111 yada emra. And what they buy a can the hospital come on your jumaye. Nurses come on your jumaye. Teacher for you see your discare bramo any headmaster tamamo koto rere any aponche e dia man kwala no ene wo hene ye busamo mo ena mu kasi e school kwala na edu so mo be vote no mo dada wo mo no mo koto abandi ma ayi frustration way just because of 2 million 5 million o mo de be shisha manches box mo dia ma wo na wo da Ghana na wo te Ghana na wo be ma NDC ni be dada say bra ne be to aba e fa ma NDC ni e be ye musaya wadwene na wo hene eye ketekete te sa mahama nkokobuo wadwene ni te sa mahama nkokobuo mahama be dada mo muto aba mo de ma no ene wo hene ye bisamo Ghana for owo hene wotua yisiji kane aka no me ne wo na etua ana me samafo wotua bi ye bisamo
omo anete ho
mo na mote ho ade na nka boa mu kakra sa mo beto ensuo ewo traffic mo no kane an wo de ma mo afiafe woni munyansa wo desumyo so na mo ka se sumye manyanso woni munyansa ene mahama kane an wontumi fence so kra 24 hours so be 24 hours market ade amam on kaye wo so be 24 hours market obi wontumi ma wo kane andam mo so be wo yo hene no be ka cho so be ma 24 hours market anu waje di adame be kan na message su bia hemfo no mudi bi si so aya mo hwehwe o madwenem sabita flat mo hwehwe bia dwenem pa because em say wo mo ntama na ya na ebi fra no so konsu aye mu ma tisa Kevin Taylor papa entama because so konsu nya ma o hene ban a wukuta ni monyam na mahama betumi aba ukroso abeka cho so 24 hours market abrakania ene ayiye kansan we krampo ayi afidie ye kasa su ayi we satellite amutumi de dia baby amobaye course ko wontumi mfama mo
ai
ye fro
network
network ko wontumi mfama mo network data no so kra mo ta etumi nyadwa me phone romi Mr. Mafo ma to credit almost about 5 million gusumi ntumi mfa nkasa enko Ghana enyadwuma eda hakeke so what you say adentra because ade na nyadan enyadwuma one control sa ne mani nyina akwa na waye saka popo no Sam George ene control sa ne ma wonyina na akofa kwasia wo ya opesa ne party ba ba mu no be kasa say dabu na no dansuo ma wonno ma e de be no de be brew ye bisamo etiken so what boa mahama amana ba ba mu na wo yire ji contractor yeslo enkoton MPP mfa mahama enkoton MPP mfa mahama e de na wo so wo ba ba mu no wo yeye contract bia wo ji wo na do aban so utumi efofele ni nyina utumi wie ni nyina wo na wo yire no mo no ma no utumi wie ni nyina wo say se MPP fo mpanifo awie ade a wo so de na wo ye wo 8 years of na do policy na wo ni mu bi na wo nye co-chair chairman na wo nye bi yeah se wo party sasa wo ye sharp yes ye hurry up what so wo ye sharp yes ye hurry up etikawano etum na ye chen na sia ekwawa ye chen ye say the ufi say MPP ye bia spill the beans we don't give a talk about monkey again ye fa wo ho wo pa fa politician ni be yiri be gina wo say obi ni obi da ye fa wo ho biem because ya repusa na dwe wo yale papa wo chinchim sa abosfo ana homa ye di chimuja pe bebi kokotana na wo ye bola gusu kra de maye nsam fu akwa tamafo odaso baba
ma nyaminka wo ye maame Esther K Barima ena yete nenka ayabusua yatena se ache mere ntia kese ema tiefo nyina edo bibia ase se ne mobile and I know yeah show no. I'm a camera na ho na my system. I don't know, my camera me na ya set into ho na ba kono afa I take you over. In any case, me da mo nyina say na mo bre and Father say a chidom kese a mo be bo machi na mama me show na yeah amazing. Said the tibia no be sign ehia ochena wia. I will make sure I will come and before everything takes on. Ti me da mo nyina say me do be sia na makope bibi kakra di. In any case, Cote d'Ivoire air win 1-0 against Germany. Match Yamunya Madam Munyanasi. Until we meet again. Adios.